Hey guys, sorry about that. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing this morning? Excuse me, look at this. Look at this. I can't believe it. Okay, so I was just reading a message that Facebook. Anyways, good morning. Look at this. 2.884 already. Wow. This is good. The market's correcting itself. Good in a good way. Usually it's correcting in a bad way, but look at this. This is good. 2.89 in the green on AMC. We got even Tesla's up, a whole bunch of stocks are up. This is good. GME is up 1.14% already, guys. Negatives up. The SPY's up a little bit. That's pretty good. Market has an echo. Shit. Thank you. Fixed. Is it fixed now, guys? We got her good now? Might take a minute to fix. Sorry about that. Perfect. Sound good. Okay, good. What was happening is I was on with Christopher. Christopher, you were up on the screen. I was thinking of you actually this morning too, my friend. I was on there with Tim last night, and sorry about that. I had the mic set. We were trying to figure it out to get him on here. We were having the same problems with the echo reverb. So, sorry about that, guys. Anyways, just give me a minute here. I'm just going to get a couple things set up, and we'll go through everything. Oh, this is way better starting early in the morning. Here, that's so funny. I'm just laughing at YouTube. Stupid thing. It's locking me out again because I put it only subs in it. Whatever. I'm not going to play that game with you this morning, YouTube, because I'm in such a good mood. So let's just log on to this laptop right here, and we'll correct that problem right now. Tell me if you get echoing with this me on the laptop. Okay, guys? There we go. Okay, that's weird that it won't let me on my own computer. But it's all good. It's just, it is what it is. Is the audio still good, my friends? Because I'm opening up another source here. There you guys go. Holy shit's on fire. Okay. Oh. Sorry, guys. What a long night last night. Right on. Good. Okay, guys. Perfect. Okay, good. Thank you so much. Okay, so I just need to go into settings here. Let's go into settings. And then we got 5 minutes before market open. How was everybody's night last night? Did you guys have a good night afterwards? We're already at 3.24%. Good. We'll see how that holds when it opens. Bit rate's too low. That doesn't make sense. Naked paid the bills this week. Did it go up? That 2 point. How much did it go up, my friend? I'm just gonna blast over there. I'm actually interested in that. We got it right here on the top of the screen for you. Oh, it went up 7.14 yesterday. Holy crap! And then another 2 point. That's 10%. That's a good little jump for you. Good, good, good. I like to see you guys make money. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Beautiful. I know, Turtles. I hope it does. I hope it does. I hope it does. Okay, let's get back on to AMC to see what happens with market open here. Okay, guys, I'm loving this getting up early like this. I'm just loving it. Okay, we get lots of time to mess around here. I'm not rushing. I'm not screwing up because under pressure. It's like me open trading on paper trading. Like when I got 4 or 5, well, I don't like doing 5 stocks, but when I got like 4 stocks going, oh man, it's just little things get me irritated. Like even sounds in the room or anything, I have to be like this. I'm glued to the TV, right? That's why I got this bad boy right here. Okay, because I use the laptop from my old laptop. This is a newer one that I bought just for the squeeze actually. This 4K one, but it's a convertible. It's really cool, man. I was actually hooked it up last night. I actually had some time alone to actually do some stuff I wanted to do. So I went on Steam last night and went and played some video games that I haven't done in years. I hooked up this 4K laptop up to my 4K TV there. And oh my God, was it cool. I had the stereo just pounding in here at the subs. I got some Bose subs. Oh, just the whole building was just echoing. Every gung, 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 with gunfire. The whole room was shaking. It was awesome. I loved it. I haven't done that in a long time. I've never tested the stereo system out here. We have over 1,000-watt speakers in here. So I took them out of the living room. Because the dogs don't like them. Every time the bass comes on, the dogs run under the couch. So I'm like, well, this is kind of stupid. I got like $8,000 worth of stereo equipment, and I can't even use it. So, anyways, it was pretty good. I'm just looking at the market here. Wow, man, this is good. This is usually happens. Wednesdays and Thursdays are usually. That was weird yesterday. Wednesdays and Thursdays are usually good trading days. Like, it's usually Mondays and Fridays that are shit. But as we know, we don't AMC, and GME and all these immune stocks are a thing of their own. Okay, so let's go through everything. Yeah. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning there, brother. Sanjay. Huh. That's weird. Somebody just posted something on Reddit. I just read it. You gotta read that. This is funny. We already know why Citadel cleared the offices out, okay? I put the video up very early, and then within 4 hours, we knew what was happening. Some YouTubers are still putting up stuff that they're clearing out because of margin calls now. Now it's because of margin calls. But I heard that, and I tracked the information. It's because they opened another office here. Market just opened here. No, not yet. It hasn't. Almost. Almost. There we go. Market open. Market open. There we go. There we go. I remembered. Okay, come on. Let's do this today. We're at 41 bucks already. Yeah. That's the shit I want to see. Okay, so let's go through this stuff. Hi, Wolf. Peace, family. 11. Okay. Hi, Sanjay. Good morning. Good morning, Naked. We already went through that one. Echo, 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 echo. Thanks, guys, for reporting that out. Okay, good morning, Angel, Sanjay. Tess, good morning. Jason, good morning, man. Good morning. Did you get my email? The weekend's probably better for me, my friend. I should have said that in the beginning. I don't know why we're playing cat and mouse here, back and forth. Joshua, good morning. Turbos, good morning. Jay, good morning. Donovan, good morning. I'm just going to read some of these comments here. I just laid down a dream. Dude, hey, there's nothing wrong with that. That's part of that, that's part of the meditation thing that I do too. And it works. Like, last year I dreamed, like, always thought of having a mortgage-free house and stuff, and it happened. 4 months later, it happened. Look at this. Yes. Bounce, baby. Bounce to the sky. Fuck yeah. We got a lot of power coming in here this morning. We could see a little bit of a pullback, but I'm very... Look at the fucking volume coming in. Oh, my God. The volume's coming in strong because it is buying and selling, as we see. We just see a red candle, but I'm looking at the market cap, guys. You got to look at the market cap. If the market cap goes up and goes down and just levitates, that means that people are just buying, they're just buying, selling, but it's nothing. But when you see the market cap go up in the billions, like 21 billion, 9, 8, so on, so on, so on, and if it goes back to 7, that means that somebody's sold. Okay, so but when it goes constantly up, people are buying. Okay, guys, that's how you distinguish the two, or you can minus the numbers. It's faster just to do that. Okay, we'll just let these platforms dump, and we'll get on with this here, my friends. Yeah, Don, are you swing trading? Holy shit, buddy. Yeah. Hey, Donovan, I would watch yourself because just watch what you're doing, my friend. I'm just looking out for you because if that fucking buy button comes off and you're in the middle of a transition, damn, you're going to miss out on this, my friend. Okay, good morning, Big Saul. Good morning, Freak. Good morning, Freak. How you doing, bro? David, good morning. Morning, coffee and some stocks. Good morning, Ron. How you doing, bud? Almighty is in the house with some friggin' flames here. Yeah, man. Like, yeah, let's push this fucker. Okay, you got my message. Okay, there. Thanks, brother. Juicy, yeah. Darnus, good morning. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. Big Ricky, a big YouTuber bought it 2,500 shares. But did he do it live on his phone like I do? Is the question. I'm just joking. I always put that on YouTubers because I've seen I'm not saying anything because I never watched the video of him. I'm just saying in general. Oh yeah, man, I bought 10,000 shares. Well, let's see it. Let's see it live. Let's see it live, man. I do it always live. I show you all my shares and how much money's in my account and how many shares I own. Let's do it live. Excuse me. Sorry for slurping in your guys' ears. That coffee's hot as hell. Okay. I'm not saying, I'm just joking, Angel. I'm just messing around. I don't even know who Ricky is. Oh, he did? Okay, good. He's one of the rare. He's one of the rare then. Me and him are the rarest ones of the bunch then. Ricky, I'm interested. Who is he? Who is he, my friend? Let's see another green dig. Yeah, Ed, good morning. Felix, good morning. Jamal, good morning, Citizen. Good, good. I like to see more tubers showing their positions, man. Look at this go. Damn, damn, damn. I'm liking this. Come on, ride that wick back up to 41, 49. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking do this today. Nope, sorry, you might put the little wolves away. There we go. This is going to be one of those days, guys. You can post a link. It won't come up on here because the YouTube won't let you post links on there. I have it so no links set up just because we had problems in the past. Good morning, Gloria. If you want to send it to my email, it's fine. I believe you, man. I believe your word's good. Your word's good. You've been on here for a while. No, I'm just saying in general, right? I'm just glad that a lot of tubers are that he's doing that. That's awesome. Ricky, okay, that's better. Thank you, Kim. Yeah, because I like to look at stuff like that. I've never even heard of them before. Good morning, Veronica. Yeah, I'll check them out for you guys for sure. I won't do it right now though, just because I got my because we're riding this green sea of green here. I'm loving this. Wow, just give me a second here. I can't pull the screen down. I'm not used to that. Usually it's I can't put the screen up. I can't pull the screen down. The candles are so high. That's good. Here, I'm just gonna try zooming down here. Maybe it's because of that. That happened last time. Nope. Okay, I'll put that back up there for you guys so you can see that. Okay, go, go, go. Raphael, good morning. Yeah, you want me to cover some crypto today? Not a problem. I was just doing crypto last night for about an hour and a half with Tim. Okay, Ed, what? I asked him about the... I don't know what who you're talking about, Ed. Right on, Donovan. Yeah, just be careful with that swing trading on this stock, man. I'm not saying about any other stock. I'm not telling you guys what to do. It's just that just give me a second here, guys. You guys are getting comments locked here because of swearing and stuff. Just hang on. Hey, if these get locked and I don't catch it, it's not that I'm locking you guys for swearing, man. It's YouTube. They're douchebags, man. They're being douchebags. They're not actual douchebags. YouTube, I've never had really problems with. Just blocking stuff, but and it's set up for an adult channel. I don't know why they do that. Okay. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Steve, good morning. Okay, Johnny, good morning. I hope we crack out at like 40, 45 through 46 today. Would be beautiful day. Oh, the Ricky kid. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry, buddy. It's kind of hard to just tell back and forth text here. Yeah, a lot of people, they won't answer you unless you super chat them or you're a member, right? I've noticed that, but I don't roll like that, so I try to do everything opposite that I didn't like when I was stock trading and I ask a question because I want to learn. I want to learn too, right? About stuff, right? And you ask a question and you don't get an answer. And then you capitalize it and you put it in like a big thing, and then all of a sudden you're blocked off the fucking channel, right? So, I don't know. I don't like that. That's one of the things. So if things that I didn't like, that's why you'll notice this channel's a little bit different. And if you guys tell me to correct stuff, I try to. Naked's still cracking. It's at 4.88% up. I'm gonna go through the ticker stuff in probably about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna let this stuff just level out here across the market, because what happens is I read it and then all of a sudden I go back and it's all changed. Yeah, GameStop's 2.11% in the friggin' green. Yeah. Yes, all friggin' day. You do. Sorry, I don't. No. Sorry, I don't know. I'm just saying. I thought you were commenting to what I was talking about. Yeah, and same with Astro and all those guys have switched that way, right? I think it's kind of wrong. I don't mind. We might have, depends on how it goes. The chat bar might be locked down to members only, because YouTube doesn't give you that feature where you can lock the channel down to everybody else unless you have that feature. That's why Astro does that now, right? But we're gonna try to stay away from it as long as we can. Okay. I just really don't believe in that. I'm just hoping YouTube will come out with a different feature, right? I only can do so much for your guys' privacy, but if it gets to the point where the chat bar is going so fast that you guys cannot talk and you start getting pissed off, that's when I gotta step in and change things, okay? So till that happens, I talked to a friend last night. He said just leave it alone. He has a channel with over 300,000 people on it. And he's one of our members, and he said that that time will come. It's going to come very fast for you. So I'm like, well, what do you mean? He goes, wait till the squeeze. You want to see how busy your fucking channel's going to get? So. Okay, it's good enough, guys. Okay, okay, so, guys, we're going to get a little bit of a pullback here. We're not getting a ladder attack. That's not a ladder attack. I don't see the levitating at all. This is just strictly, it is what it is. The apps have done their thing. They're still, maybe another 5 minutes. I'm going to go through some ticker stuff for you guys here, just to get rolling here a little bit. It is the downside of success. It is. It's gonna hit us one day, guys. And when that chat bar is locked to members, don't be pissed at me. What it will be is like I'll figure something out so it doesn't. I'll try to make up a new package through YouTube. It has to be approved. It's a big fucking process, but I will do it. I'll try to figure out something for members. And try to make it. I don't know. I'll try to figure something out. So I don't want to gouge you guys. That's what I don't want to fucking do, right? And I don't think it's fair at all. But if it gets to the point where you guys can't talk, good morning, Manjeet, then you guys are going to pull the pin and not me. You guys are going to say, this is fucking bullshit, man. So it's going to be to that. It'll come to that time. I'm just warning you guys. But just relax. It's not going to happen till then. But look at this push. There we go. We bounced the 3 candle into, it was 3 crows. We corrected it. Now it is into 2 solid, juicy green candles. Okay, so Naked, ticker brand Naked, NAKD is 0.62, is up 3.76. It went up like 7 and some chump change yesterday. It cracked out good yesterday. GME, ticker symbol, 193.08. We're at 1.82% in the green. This is looking so good. The SPY 500 is even up. They've had problems with that for the last couple days. It's at $441, a little bit of chump there, and it's 0.90 in the green on that one. And good old AMC here that we got on the screen here is $41.66. It is 3.89 in the green. MAT, M-M-A-T, is $5.33. It is up almost 4% at 3.71% in the green. Tesla has actually gone down a little bit this morning. It was up multiple percent this morning when I was looking at the chart. I always look up when I first get up in the morning. I always look. It is still not bad. It's Tesla, so it's in the green. It's 754.69 is 0.37 in the green. KPLT Holdings is $5.49. It is 0.37 in the red. Clove sitting a little. It's in the green, but it's almost neutral. Green's better than nothing, as we all know. $7.89 on that one is 0.06% in the green. Okay, we're going to jump into some other stuff, and then we're going to crack into some crypto here. So, ticker symbol AAL, American Airlines, is up quite a bit. I called this. I said the energy sector is going to start going up. Same as Air Canada is just fucking going to the moon. I own a huge stake in Air Canada. I know this stuff's going to correct itself. Same with the cruise lines, guys. We could see in the fire sale, you're going to see a crash, but that, and then the correction, and then it's going to go to sky's the limit on that shit. Okay? Some of these do pay dividend royalties. Some of these the travel sector does. You just got to watch yourself on that one. Okay, Air Canada is at American Airlines is at $21 right across the board, 2.34 in the green. Enbridge, which is energy sector up in Canada here, and also in the States, up in Detroit. So it's $40.05, 1.39 in the green. The energy sector in Canada is friggin' going nuts right now, guys. I made about $4,000 last night off of Suncor Energy. Yeah, and it's up another 3.54 today. Yes, yes, yes. There's another $3,000 in my pocket. Yes. So I'm all happy because those are my dividend stocks. So and they weren't doing that good for a while. Well, when the Texas had their issue there down in Texas, those things fucking went to the moon. It's an energy. It's a grab, man. So, but then they did a correction and they're back up. So, anyways, we're gonna go into Carnival Cruise, ticker symbol CCL. Carnival is at. I was right on that. I didn't even see it because it was on the next screen. Yeah, I called all this stuff. $24.31. 3.04 in the green on that one. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't own anything in that, but I know a lot of people do. Cost $17.27, 0.93 in the green on that. And here's Suncor Energy that I was talking about. $25. I can't see that. Wow, that's up high. $25.32, 0.76. And you guys, the Americans out there, this stuff's cheap for you to buy Canadian stocks. You get like 27-30% off because of the money exchange. Just so you guys are aware of that. Air Canada, ticker symbol AC, is at $23.24. It's up 0.82. It's in the green again today. Okay, look at BlackBerry, guys, having a huge correction here in the green. This is the Canadian price. Okay, it's $12.95 up here. It is at 6.06 in the green today. Okay, so that you're gonna have to do the math on that. I'd say it's about 11%, maybe 10 point something. You guys probably got a screener in front of you, but the percentage will be the same, 6.06. Okay, Microvision, $12.32. It is $1 or 1% straight across the board in the red. Some marijuana stocks here. Sundial, SNDL Growers is 70 cents. 0.96 in the green on that. She's creeping up a little bit at a time, which is good. It actually just went up to 1.39 now. It's going up. Lithium, Vision Lithium is par. It's at 11 cents right now. Some crypto. Let's jump into some crypto here. Oh wow, it's going back down again. It did come up a bit. No, it didn't. No, it's gone par again actually. Okay, Dogecoin is at 22 cents. It is 1.04 in the red. Cardano is ticker symbol ADA. Is 2.24. Is $2.24. 2.19 in the red on that. Bitcoin, $44,160. 0.0 or 10 in the green. Ethereum, ETH, ticker symbol, is $3,116, is 0.13. It just changed in the red. Okay, so some people had questions on crypto. Fire your questions out on crypto before we jump into some stuff here. I'm going to put this back on the AMC chart so we can see the numbers. There we go. And fire away there, my friend. Who wanted to talk about crypto here? Somebody on the chat board did. A couple people, actually. Crypto's always a good talk for first thing in the morning. SEC is hammering down on crypto right now. As you guys know, you guys probably know it. It's kind of old news, but they're going to be delisting a lot of coins. I know that for a fact. They're calling them tokens, which we call them shit coins, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna read some stuff here. I bought 1,000 sol. Good big sol. Yeah, that's gonna make you guys some money, right? When this thing's when all the other ones squeeze, it's got, like I said, you're gonna get, that's a good little grabber. It's not gonna go crazy. Well, for 70 cents, yes, it's classed as crazy. But when I'm talking crazy, I'm talking making hundreds and well, it depends on what you own, right? But when I talk crazy, I make 100-gram chunks. Okay, chunks of a 50 to 100 G. That's called crazy for me. But it depends on what you own, right? Because like, well, look at you. Some of you guys own 1,600 shares, man. You're gonna do pretty good, right? 1,000 shares, you're gonna do good, right? Especially at 70 cents, right? Because if you double your money, that's $2,000. And if it goes up, like it could even go up to like I don't know. I can't really talk prices, and I just want to tell you guys so bad, right? I kind of know what it's gonna go to. You guys do too. I've kind of given you hints, percentage-wise, right? Oh yeah, government crypto's coming out, Ed. I think this year they're going to be releasing, if they haven't already in some parts. No, I don't think they have. Yen, crypto yen's coming out. Okay, the Chinese are way ahead of the shit on this. There's also the Swedes are looking into it. I read a couple articles on that. It's coming out. The Canadian government's even working on it, but we're way behind on that shit. Oh, that's right, Cookin'. That's right. They'll definitely delete the buy button. Oh fuck, it'll be gone. Guaranteed. If swing traders get in there and start swing trading that shit, it will make it. Oh man, and I hate to say it, but that'll hurt us. Okay, the guys that are long. I just want to let it do its thing. Just leave the fucking thing alone. It's a primed up baby, right? It's already primed up. That band's friggin' so tight that when it snaps, that thing's gonna fucking go. It's primed to the max right now. So, okay, let's go. I'm gonna read some comments here. Back up. Oh, yeah, Donovan saying same thing. You guys are right. You guys are right. I've been saying that for... How long have I been saying that for, guys? I made videos on it how long ago about the deleting the buy button before anybody else was talking. I just know because it's... And you know how they're going to do it? They're going to do it in a legit way because they're going to use the laws to their favor. Because of the synthetic shares. They're going to say there's fraudulent actions happening, that they're swing trading fraudulent shares, and that's enough to pull the buy button off, so no lawsuits will happen. You cannot sue for that. Excuse me. So, yeah, it's a ticking time bomb, guys. It's not financial advice, but buy what you can, right? It's because the day will come. The day will come, and it could happen just one day you get up in the morning. What's going to happen is all the brokers will shut down at the same time. There won't be any notice because they will not give notice. The SEC and the NS, I can't even say it this morning, will just send out a message that, and there'll be the very few people that'll get it a couple hours that'll know ahead of everybody else, but they're going to send it all out at once. Cease and desist. That's it. Fines will be huge if you start. There won't be any way to sell. They'll lock it from the main source. Okay. It'll be an email that comes out, or they'll just jam the main computer and put in code, and that will be it. The buy button's off. Future Whale, what's up? So just be prepared. That's all. It's not going to affect anybody that owns shares, okay? And they will not take the sell button off. It just won't happen. What they'll do is they'll halt it for 30 days if that comes to the point of that, okay? And it's happened in the past with stocks, okay? because of the synthetics, it could happen. Okay, I hope it fucking doesn't. But like I said, I've made videos on that. Just be prepared, right? That's why I'm doing my 3-system recovery plan. Is because of that. Because I want my fucking money, man, and I'm not letting anybody take this from me. I've been working way too hard on this, and so have you guys, and we deserve this. So any little shenanigans that I can see coming down the pipeline, I'm going to share with you guys. I'm not an asshole. I'm not going to not tell you. They won't take the sell button off, Manjeet. They won't. They'll halt it for 30 days before that. Trust me. You know how many lawsuits they would. They can't do that. If they did, with GME, that wasn't taken off because of that. That was to do with whole other contributing factors, my friends. If that's what you're thinking, well, it already happened with GME. No, that wasn't the case. That was with Robinhood and a bunch of bullshit. There was a halt on the stock because they ran out of money. You guys know this. It's all old information. And actually, there's some lawsuits that went through. They're actually Robinhood's getting sued to shit. They've actually been approved, all those lawsuits. They're actually paying out money right today and a couple days ago on that. Okay. That's right, Shamron. Yes, if they seize this for 30 days. We know if that happens, we're all millionaires. We know that. Like that would be like that would be like a finalizing it, because every stock that has been seized like that it's because of the problems of the volatility, and I can't see that happen. When it will happen halfway through. It won't just happen like right away, 30-day halt. What will happen is when they see it going into multiple thousands of percents, like fucking off the moon. That's when it will happen. Okay. Because banks won't be able to cover, the brokers won't be able to cover, so that's when it will happen. Yeah. So, okay, let's get into some questions here. Does anybody buying and trading ETFs? I'm not, my friend. I don't know if anybody else is. Jeremy, good morning. In her 10th grade economics class. Hey, that's a good little project for a kid. Fucking A, man. Monty, good morning. What's my 3-step plan? My 3-step plan is share recovery. With a certain amount of shares. I already have it all planned in my head, and I that's my private information, right? So I've told you guys to do your own DD on that, and that's what the simulator's for, is to figure out what you're going to do with a certain amount. I have a certain amount of shares that I'll be selling, and then the next lot is for the push, as high as I think I'm comfortable, and then I leave a second lot of a little bit of shares for my down pull. So I've already recovered all my shares, made enough money, like not greed. Greed's off the table, guys. Greed's out the fucking window when I trade. Okay, I do not trade in a greedy way. Okay, you will lose money. You can't trade, even paper trading, swing trading. You can't have greed on the table. Okay, the negatives on it is bad. Okay, the downfall negative. It clouds your thought. It does a lot of negative stuff. Okay. So the share recovery plan is you take a bunch of shares, you recover your shares, plus a little bit of money in the taxes, okay, without greed in it, okay? The next lot is for the fucking push, okay? And then when you get to an amount where you're safe, where you think it is, and greed off the table again on this, okay? No $500,000 shit, okay? It's not going to happen. Okay, so take the greed off the table, make it so you're comfortable, and then on the down pull, you've already recovered. Then you're in stress-free zone. You're just kicking back and you're waiting. It might go higher. It might do a second push. Then you cash in. If it doesn't, you're not holding the bag. You have all your money. Who cares, right? And then you just sell off. Poof. And you're a millionaire. Done. I've done this. That's the way I've traded for probably the last 2 years. And I made a lot of fucking money on that COVID pill and a couple other ones. What was it, in 6 months? Almost $500,000 on 4 to 6 months. Okay. That was just recently. I still haven't even paid taxes on it yet. Or no, that was the year before. Sorry. Just hang on a second. No, I just did. That's right. No, it was last year. Sorry, I was thinking of something else here. I'm thinking about AMC and I'm like, no, because I have so many stocks in my portfolio. No, I did. And I diverted half the taxes you can. Because of the tax reason, the way the tax season worked on that one, I was half and half. Okay? So there you go, my friend. That's my system that I use, and I've always used it. I made that system up. Okay, that's my system, and I did that from losing money. And there's rules that are attached to that. Okay, I do have very grounded rules that I do, especially when I'm swing trading, paper trade, whatever you want to call it. Okay, which I will be doing. I'll be showing you guys live how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, I just will not do it on these stocks. I'm not retarded. Okay, so but with that trading, there's rules that I have that I've made up, and these are my rules that I stand behind. You should all have rules that you stand behind, and you don't go out of those rules. I break them. I broke one a couple months ago when I bought in the green. I never buy in the green. Okay, I always buy in a dip. That's just one of my rules. You can all have your different rules. Some people only buy in the green because it helps the algorithm. That's their rules, right? They own that. That's up to them. They do whatever they want, right? So a lot of people say if you buy on the red, it helps the algorithm go down. Who knows, right? I don't agree on that, but some people stand right by it, right? So the rules that I have is, you guys probably know this, if you've been on the channel for a while, I never buy after hours, ever after hours, okay, on any platform, okay? You're high potential that when the market opens, you're going to lose money, okay? I never buy in the first 10 minutes when the market is open, 5 to 10 minutes. I would not buy first thing in the morning. I would not buy, okay? I always wait until I see the market stabilize, and usually it's about between 8:30 and 9:30, unless I'm swing trading and paper trading, okay? Then I'm in first thing in the market as soon as it opens because I already see the volume on charts, right? It's totally different ball game, okay? I'm just talking with normal stock. And then I never, ever trade on a long weekend, ever after hours. That is a way to fuck yourself hard, okay? Pardon my language, but that is a no. Every experienced trader knows that. Stay away from the long weekend shit, okay? Because what happens is that market, you're a 50-50 hit. Either it's going to, and usually it collapses after a long weekend, okay? And then usually Tuesday and Wednesday it goes, right? If you've been watching the market, you kind of know that stuff. And we're not talking meme stocks. You got to take that off the table. Okay, these things are you can't do DD on these. You can't do technical analysis. Everybody that's tried has shot themselves in the foot. Okay, including myself. My last video, I pretty much blew my leg off. Okay, and it was sitting at $3 and 4%, and after hours at 2 in the morning, I thought we were primed. I thought we were gonna get some friggin' gamma and FOMO that day, and it collapsed. I put the video and I watched it. Just the whole video just went into the toilet. There you go, Gloria. See? There you go. See, guys? You know this stuff. Just you got to write this stuff and stay by these rules, okay? You've tested the waters. You know what's right and wrong, right? I'm not saying, like, you could buy after hours, then all of a sudden it could go to the moon or go high. Yes, it could, but the statistics are not in your favor, okay? And if you do it long enough, you're going to get fucking stung, okay? That's all I'm saying. And these are just my rules, right? And I have data to back it up. So that's my system. That's the simulator out there with this. You should already have your brackets. Greed off the table. And if it goes higher, wow, that's awesome. It's in double bag then, your money, right? But you have to look at reasonable And then when it goes higher, that's where people are, Cameron, you're so off the wall. No, I love being twice as happy. Because when things go in my favor and then they double, you see me get up and start dancing and shit. Because I get overexcited. I love that overexcited feeling of endorphins being dumped in my body. I hate that depressed like this. I hate that depressed stress. I don't like it. So I never try to set myself up for failure, okay? A lot of people love it. It's a habit, right? There you guys go. See, I'm seeing some of this stuff coming up here. You see, you guys know you're smart. There you go, Taz. You guys know you're smart. Gloria knows. Yeah. So you guys are nailing it. Just stick with those things. Don't trade. I did it the other day and it wasn't with large money, but we're getting a bit of a pull here on the market. Oh shit, look at that wave. Holy crap. Look how long those candlesticks are. Look at the wicks. So that tells me that there's volatility in the market right now, okay? Look how long those wicks are. Those are test limits, okay? It's testing and pulling back and it doesn't know what to do right now. So it's uncertainty right now. Cam, are we gonna hit what are we at, $40 right now? Ooh, that's quite a ways to go. That's like, okay, well 40 is 100. That's like 70-80%, man. What date is it? I can't really do that on this stock, my friend. I'm not trying to be an asshole, but it's one of those stocks that's kind of day by day, my friend. I would love it to be even higher than that. I love looking at it when my account's over 100 grand. I just fucking love it. It makes me happy. Like I'm sitting at, I don't even know. I don't even want to. Do you guys want me to look at my account this morning? I don't even want to. But you have to remember that I got other stuff tied in there. So I'm actually doing not bad across the board. My dividend stocks are fucking to the moon right now. Yeah, this, I don't know. It's up to you. Cam, did you ignore my question? No, I never seen it. Okay. Question. If I sell and buy back in when it falls, does that trend count? I don't understand. Okay, I'll read it out loud and maybe we can work through this together. Maybe I'm just being retarded maybe because it's early. If I sell and buy back in, count for what though? I don't understand, Manjeet. Like against everybody else looking at you, like oh my god. Like if you sell your position, right? And then it like right now to recover some money because you're up obviously, and you think it dips, and then you buy back in and to do share recovery. Is that what you're asking there, girl? That's what I was warning people not to do. That's up to you what you do. But that's what Doge Warriors group is doing, and if they take that option off the table, you're screwed, right? Getting back in, and that's up to you. I can't give you that advice. That's like up in the no bracket, right? It's not a good idea. Yes, Monty. Yes. It is a wow. Yes. The short interest. You have to remember, is not the interest they're collecting off us. Okay, it's the shorted interest on the stock. It's the amount. Yes, it's the highest it's been shorted. I think this is the highest. I think, man. I'm not 100%, but it's up there in the 99% there, Monty. And I was actually going to bring that up. Thank you for bringing that up this morning. I was looking at that. We're gonna go over to Stocks Era, and we're gonna check it out over there. It's a little bit more accurate than Ortex, and we'll get some numbers on there. Okay, let's say thank you, Manjeet, for making it more clear. Let's say I sell Tesla at 700. Okay. Yes, you pay taxes on that. You pay taxes on your gain only though, girl. Only on your gain, okay? So, say I bought a stock for $10,000. I usually buy $5,000 and $10,000 chunks, or 1,000. I don't know, I'm weird like that. But anyways, so If I'm asking, okay, I'm asking Tesla as I bought 800. Okay, so yeah, if you gain anything on that, Manjeet, you pay on the gains. Okay, does that make any sense to you? Sixth son. I realize that no disrespect to Ken, but he does not have as much knowledge as I thought he did. Oh, I'm sorry you feel that way, my friend. I'm sorry. No, it's okay. I don't take any hard feelings on that, man. I'm still learning on that. I'm still learning. At least I have the balls to say it, right? Not like some people. But I never said I know everything, right? Nobody knows everything. But I must be doing something right. Everything I own's paid off from stocks. But you're entitled to your opinion, my friend. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, Jay Deer at some point is probably going to be... Yeah, that's right, Jay Deer. Yeah. No, I did some stupid and bought Tesla at 800. Okay. And now my money is stuck. I'm trying to decide to trade or bring this average down without putting the money in. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I see a bigger picture now, Manjeet. Oh. Okay, hey, only if you let the back in. Hey, is that your baby's name? Gavy? Oh, that's the great. Is that your? I see a picture of a baby up there. Is that you, or is that your son or something? Is that your son's name? Gavy. That's a neat name. I like that. Okay, I'm not talking. It's Mandy. You're not stupid. It's just learning. You're just. It's all good. It's all good. You didn't do anything stupid. Don't call yourself stupid. Here, I gotta fix this camera a bit here. Okay, my baby girl. Aw, that's cute. I like the name. Never heard it before. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna throw you some. I'm gonna throw you some love out here. Good morning, Joe. Okay. I like the screen setup you have. Oh, thanks, Joker's dad. I'm working very hard on it. Thank you. I'm gonna send you guys some wolves. I gotta use the laptop. The one down thing is this new setup. I sold Tesla and I buy AMC after the crash, but yeah, that's smart, my friends. Good morning, D. Oh, thanks, Joe. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the positive vibes back. I know, Donovan. That'd be awesome. Eh? Wouldn't it be awesome, my friend? I hope you guys all do good. I'm very happy, and I love it when you guys do good on stocks. Like one of you this morning did good on Naked and made some substantial money on it. I'm so happy for you, right? Like that is good stuff. Like I just love it. I just love it. Just give me a second here, guys. Oh, I'm just unlocking Alex. Hey, Alex, you weren't blocked. It was YouTube, my friend. That wasn't you. Or, Alex, that wasn't me. I unlocked your clown thing up because you said fucking. YouTube blocked you. I noticed that. It came flashing up on the screen. Good morning, Alex. Just give me a second, my friends. Something's fucking up here on my computer. There you go. Ah, stupid fucking computer. Just hang on. Give me a second, my friends. There we go. Okay. Sorry, guys, screwing around with that. Okay. Good vibes, D. I love seeing people make money too. Oh, buddy. I just love it. I love it. It makes me so happy, man. It makes my day, right? I would rather lose money than you guys. Isn't that weird? But I'm seriously true on that, man. I wouldn't just say that. Well, not like millions, but I'm talking like I'd rather in the day. I'd rather because I'm already. I know some of you are unless not in a bad way, but some of you can. My kids are already out of the house, so let me just be more clear on that. My kids are already out of the house. Me and my wife are already retired. Okay, so I know that a lot of you have more battles in life, right? And I just wanted to put that out there. I'd rather just you guys could use the money a little bit more than I can in some ways. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, you have more struggles in life. It depends on where you live too. Some parts of the world are because we get people from all over the world on this channel. Some parts of the world are very hard to keep up day to day in. That's all I'm saying, right? That's I guess the Christian part of me, right? The swearing Christian, right? Good morning, Rico. Sasha, good morning. Good morning. That's right. Oh, I like that. Sing. Angel, that is so cool. That is so cool. I like that name Sasha too. You guys got some cool names, man. Seriously. Oops, I think my voice woke the dogs up. The dogs are in the house. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something here. Okay, let's I'm just gonna go through the. Is it Mr. Ellis your first play? You might want to get out after this. I'm just joking. That's up to you. But kick back and learn, man. But I guess I don't know anything. So I was told this morning. So, but I'm just saying that I'm just throwing it funny out there. But anyways, the thing is try to take a little bit off of. Not a problem. Oh, thank you, please. Yeah, I guess we're known all around the world for that, right? My wife is the same. She the other day she was out and she was at Tim Hortons and she was out at Tim Hortons there and she I was just because I get warnings on my phone, right? When we spend money, it's just a security thing, right? I'm like, well, what would you buy in Tim Hortons? You spend like $40 in Tim Hortons for yourself? Like, what the hell did you buy? Right? And she's like, well, no, I fed this homeless person outside. I'm like, aw. I'm like, well, what'd you buy him? Half the store? And she goes, no, he was really hungry, so I bought him a dinner, lunch, or breakfast, dinner, and lunch, all in a bag, big bag. I'm like, that's my girl. So, yeah, it does carry on. Oh, Gloria, rose and a coffee, hey? That's awesome. I want a rose and a coffee. That's funny. California is expensive, and I believe people still live there because they like it. Okay. Yeah, I know, my friend. If anybody knows about how high the taxes are in Vancouver, Canada, it's one of the highest tax places in the world. We're talking right in Vancouver, right? And there's a lot. I'm not comparing to other places. There's tons of other places that are like that. I'm just saying that it's crazy nowadays, right? I know she's smart. Oh, Donovan. So, first and last, laugh out. Well, I'm just saying that you're gonna have a choice right here afterwards to I would really think about what we talk about on the channel about these dividend stocks. About they cannot be synthetic. Okay, so that gets rid of half the bullshit on the market. So these are just for people that want to learn a little bit of stuff for that and I don't know it all, right? Never said I did. But that's one thing that that's never bit me in the ass. I know I've already said this lots, but if the price of the dividend stock goes down, say it goes down 40% and you're like, holy crap, I like lost half my money. Technically you did, right? But only if you sell. Okay, that's the trick on the market. Only if you sell. But you got your dividend money coming in every 3 months. Usually they're set up for. It's usually set up quarterly, right? So I just wanted to tell you it's kind of a win-win. It's kind of like it's something a little bit safer, okay? So you don't have the synthetic bullshit because they're all registered by the feds, okay? It's the same as crypto. You can't make a synthetic crypto transaction, right? They're all logged, okay? So, but there is issues with crypto though. So that's I'm just comparing it to that. There's ways to go, yeah. Crypto's another thing, but I'm just saying it's just kind of like that. It's kind of registered like that. So dividend stocks is a good one. It's because if it goes down, you're still getting that money, right? And yes, they can adjust the dividend. They can do that, but they got to talk to the shareholders first. Excuse me. Okay, let's read some questions here. I believe AMC squeeze to give us a real investor's credit for going against the Wall Street. They're doing this to use grand. Oh, I never thought about that one. Hey, I never thought about that. Fuck, you're a good wolf. That is good shit. That is good shit between us, because I can't. I was gonna say I'll take your. I wasn't even thinking, but I can't make a video on your information to put it out there, because what that would do is open up to being attacked, right? But between us on the channel right now, that's fucking brilliant. I like that. You think like I do. You think out of the box in a weird, distorted, good way. I try to look at all the variables on shit, right? And then sometimes that can bite you in the ass too, right? You look into stuff too much. Yes, AT&T is probably one of the best stocks out there for dividend royalties. Yes, and I'm going to be buying in on that for sure. They've been around for a while. They're not going to go bankrupt. We're going to go through that stuff. You got to look at what the company owes, okay? If a company is in debt like a motherfucker, and then they have a dividend of like 12%, they could possibly go bankrupt and you'll lose all your money, okay? So I'm going to read your question out there, my friend. I believe that when AMC squeezes, instead of giving the retail investor credit for going against the Wall Street, which is, yeah, I agree, they're going to use Evergrande as a way to say they're putting the hedge funds out of bankruptcy, or going out of bankruptcy. Fuck, if they go, there's so many hedge funds tied into this, but if they go into bankruptcy protection, we're still insured, but that is brilliant. I love it. I love it. Pepsi too. What's Pepsi got? Pepsi's been around for a while, and it's kind of hard for them to go bankrupt because they have vending machines. There's a lot of good stuff about those companies that residual income, right? That stuff like toothpaste company. Well, Procter and Gamble. I don't like the company at all. Johnson and Johnson they've killed people like babies and stuff like that. I don't believe in that, and I'm going to rewrite that the way I said that. It's because of the baby powder, and you probably, the ladies would know this more than the guys maybe. Is what they knew they knew that there was problems with the talcum powder for about 15 years, and they did nothing about it. Okay, so that has given a lot of women and babies issues for life. Okay, so. And any of the guys that breathe that dust in, that awesome, I love the smell of it, right? Baby powder. But yeah, it's pretty bad. It's bad for your lungs too. Yeah, right on. Right on. Yeah, they can choke on a banana. That's awesome. 430% a share. That's not bad. That's a solid dividend. I know some of them are up in the 8, 9, and you can't always look at Suncor Energy, right? And I got over 100G in there. I don't put more than that because of insurance purposes on it. Here, but Enbridge is another good one too. Just here, where's SU? Okay, so SU is 3.27%. So we're around the same, pretty close, right? That's beautiful, right? That's beautiful. That's a solid dividend, okay? It's a little bit like 1% is kind of a little bit low for me, but that you have to remember that compounds, okay? If you don't take that money out of there and it just keep it in there for 20 years, you're looking fucking good, man. Oh wow, look at that. That's what I was talking about. That's Suncor Energy, man. It did really good. Just give me a second, guys. I just want to pull up a dividend stock here. Fuck, that's a good trade. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful trading. Look at all that green on that chart. That's pretty good. Wow, when was it up that high? Oh, I remember $27 and then it went down a bit. So anyway, yeah, there's lots like that. You guys are gonna have a heyday. BB is holding 6.06%. Let's hit the refresh button on that. BB's up to 12% right now, guys. Yeah. Who owns BB in the house? Who owns BB in the house? Who owns BB? BlackBerry all day long. Fuck yeah, those patents came out and that's what did it. It's a news hype. Fuck yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so happy for you guys that listened to me and bought BB. Thanks for supporting the Canadian stocks. Irish Mint. Hey, brother, how you doing? Or sis, I don't know. Guy girl. Sorry, I'm starting to do that now because I keep on sticking my foot in my ass for that one. Okay, we're going to go back to AMC. That is so beautiful. Oh, my God, my God. That is just awesome stuff. Wow, that's awesome. Mr. L, yeah, you're one of the ones that just bought it. Good for you. Yes, that's a friggin', oh, buddy, that's a good chunk for the day. I knew that was from the news hype. You're welcome, brother. Johnny, you can pay a dividend for each share. Yep, that's correct. Yeah, if you have 10 shares, that's easy to figure out in the 10, hundreds, thousands to figure out the money, 9 cents, you would make a tiny cents. Yep, that's correct. Yep, 100%. When is Sundial going up? You should see a bit of a go around when the stock squeezes. I'm gonna look up a ticker symbol for NREF here. But yeah, Sundial Growers is gonna go up. You'll do pretty good on it because just because you will, right? It's a big company. They're buying up everything in Canada. Like every little company, they're not putting them out of business. They're just quarantining them all into one company. There's actually one company that went bankruptcy protection, a marijuana company up here. I can't think of the name right now. Okay. NREF. Cam, when God blesses you, it's not all for you. Oh, I know that. Man, Jeep. You're supposed to be blessing some other people you cross your path, so your wife did. Oh, I do every day. I donate money on, not just money. I try to do it. That's why I'm on here sharing all my information with you, right? At a free cost. I know, but thanks, Manjeet. That's awesome. It's all good. Okay. Is it because of what I said about the BlackBerry? I don't own any BlackBerry right now. I'm waiting for AMC. NREF. Okay, is that one X Point Real Estate Finance? Is that what that is? We'll check her out here. It is 9.41% dividend yield. You want to look at the dividend yield, guys, in the percentage, just so you know, because there's a dividend yield, and I think some of them say dividend royalty. This is a nice little stock here. It's only $20. Sasha, I'm seeing one more dip. One more dip. Yeah, it could. It could for sure. It could for sure. Oh, you have 300 shares in BB, Mr. L? Good for you. That's beautiful. You guys are awesome. You guys are doing good. I like to see that. There's not that much stock that goes through here, but which that's not a problem, because when people buy in, it jacks the shit out of this, right? Okay, is that an NLY? It's not an annually dividend, 11 point. No, I got the wrong one again. Shouldn't there be another, should be another letter in there, my friend? Maybe not. I'm messing up here. Oh, I'm seeing the screen wrong because I got night vision on the screen. Do you ever guys put PepsiCo? Oh, 2.70, but that's a solid, that's a test, that's a solid share. That's a solid stock, my friends. Like Pepsi, Coke, Coca-Cola, those things have been around for a long time. Like, that's a solid dividend. 11.80 is good, but that's getting in the little... It could, Sash. Yes, it can. This stock can do whatever on this. The thing with the 11.8 is I would definitely be looking into that very, very good, because that's getting into that yellow zone, not in the red zone yet, but that's getting in that yellow zone where I'd be looking at the financials, if I don't know that much about the company, seeing what they own. Do they own anything? Do they... This one's at 6.3. I got 11 point something. I'm getting the wrong ones here. I don't know. I only have 2 different ones. What about Apple? I don't know. Let's check this out. Apple. Ew. 60.60. That's weird. You think that they would... That's a little... You think that they'd be giving a royalty higher than that. Hey, these guys are shares out free float. They're close to... This thing's shorted to shit. This thing's shorted to shit here. Well, it's been around for a while, right? Okay, I'm just going to jump back over to... Let's have a look at GameStop for a minute here. 1.6. Okay. AMC's getting a down pull here, guys. What the fuck is it? Yeah, the ones that have been out for a while are more of like Blackberries. I mean, Blackberry. Let's use that as an example too. Blackberry's been out for a long, long time. Okay, Blackberry's like it's the grandfather of stocks. Okay, they're up there with one of the biggest, most held patent companies in the world. If you guys knew that. We're talking like resistors that are patent. We're talking about cybersecurity. We're talking, and the one cybersecurity platform could have 100 patents on it. They own over 3,000 patents. Okay. I'm just gonna look up some stuff here, guys. I'll try not to get the reverb here. Okay, but my last comment, AMC, because people may not like predictions, but I think my predictions... No, I don't mind predictions. It's just that it's hard to judge. It's going to go high. We're going to see some good rips, and we're going to see some terrible dips, right? It's going to... Yeah, it is having a down pull. I've already noticed that. What is it? Point something right now? I'm just in the middle of something else here. I'll look it up in 1 second for you guys. I just got to check something out here. Just going to check out some stuff. Okay, I'm done screwing around, my friends. Okay. 7% according to Forbes. Is that where you're finding your stuff? ETF, NDL. Is that where you're finding your stuff, Test? Because you seem to have it. Bam, bam, bam. I think there's platforms that you can just punch in and it gives you all the dividends. So I do have a list here that I think Manjeet has done a lot of, Sanjay's done a lot of work, and a couple other people. If I don't give you recognition, sorry, I just can't think of it. Sent me lists. I've gone through the list. The lists are done. I will not be handing those lists out until we are in a fire sale. Okay, there's a reason for that, because when you're buying these stocks, you're gonna have questions. You're gonna be contacting me on the board, and we're in the middle of a squeeze. I'll be very focused, and I don't want to be rude because I won't be answering those questions. Okay, so I'm not going to put myself in that situation. Over that, I'll be handing them out. They will be posted up on the wall. There's a wall up on my channel, and it'll be a snapshot of them off my clipboard, with the dividend royalties, and the percentages right beside it. That'll all be right on the wall, okay, right on the channel, okay, and it's going to be very plain. It's not going to say buy this one or anything like that. It's going to be a very plain. It's just going to give two countries, Canada and the States, okay, and that's it. It's going to have 10 and 10, okay. They're going to all different prices, but the DD is going to be done on but there's going to be a disclaimer on the bottom to do your own DD on this stuff, because I want you guys to do that. You always should do that. Like any information that anybody gives you in the world, especially on the stock market, including myself, you should look at. Okay, you should just do your research. I do the 3 systems. Again, I always do things in like threes like that. Same as with the YouTube video. When I find something, I'm looking for something to hook up some software. I'll pull 3 videos and see if 2 of them match, I'll go with it. If 3 are all different, I'll look for another 3 sources, and then I'll compile the information. It's just, I found that I got that over engineering, and not that I'm an engineering trade, but I'm a welder. We use a lot of engineering prints and stuff. So I got that, I remember, or I got that back from that when I was working. Okay. So you remember them back in the 90s for BlackBerry? Yeah. Okay, what? Andy, what's up, brother? Good morning, my friend. Federal lawsuit, October 1st, pertaining to AMC. What does that mean? Enlighten me on that. Be back. Oh, you throw that out there and then leave us. Thanks, Andy. I know it'll get him back. This'll get him back. That'll get him back. I need to actually, well, he's taking a break here, leaving us hanging. I'm going to go reload on some coffee, guys. You can rip up the chat bar. Go ahead and talk on there, and I'll be back in a minute here. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Any questions, my friends? That's right. Yep. It's up there. Yep. It has. The information was brought out. Actually, I wanted to go check that. Thank you, Sasha, for that. I wanted to go. We were just discussing that already this morning off of Ortex, but I don't like that chart. So I'm going to go use another type of chart here. Okay. This one's from yesterday. Yeah, it's getting up there. Somebody said it's at 100. Maybe that's for today. Did they release new numbers today? The shorted volume is at 51.96. So that's just an average. That's the shorted volume, though. I think, just hang on. This is also, just give me a second here. Sasha, what numbers are you getting for the shorted volume? How much have they shorted it? Is that what you're talking about? Like how high the shorted is? Short interest. Okay, yeah, you are. What numbers have you got on your chart? I'm just curious. I just want to see how accurate this was, this chart. Yo, man, if it went to 30, holy shit. Bye. Keep on buying. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Andy, are you back on here yet, my friend? I'm curious about this lawsuit thing. Andy, Rico, Mr. L. I know. He goes, hey, throws that out there and then takes off. 20.62%. Okay, thanks, Sasha. I'm getting. Is that from today or from yesterday's chart? Obviously yesterday, because today's not done yet. Well, actually, they could release it in the... No, actually, it depends on that. Because I got a little bit different information. I got different information here on that. What I'm going to do is pull this back up. I got the short volume as of yesterday, which today's the 23rd. Yeah. I got the shorted volume at 51.96. Okay. What chart are you using? I'm using Stocks Era, which is done by an actual individual, and he's very, very good at his work. I got 51.96, and that is the shorted volume, that means that the hedgies are retards. That's what that means, which is good for us. It makes it more versatile. It means that they got to cover more. Yeah, Joe, wouldn't that be awesome? I know, I'm not worried about the price at all, right? I like to see it go up for eye candy, I call it, for you guys, mostly because it doesn't stress me out on the price. I don't like seeing my bank account down low, but I know that when it goes, it's going to go. It doesn't matter what price it's at. It's still going to do the same thing, right? Nothing's going to change on that aspect at all. A short squeeze is a short squeeze, right? FOMO's FOMO, gamma's gamma, Gammas, gamma, gamma. So, anyways, Tess wants me to look up YOLO stocks .live. Oh, that I know what you're talking about. Yeah. The ones that were and could have been, should have been, but didn't happen, or they happened and then it was pulled out from under them. Wow, that comes out clear now. Okay. Just give me a second, my friends. What are you guys' plans for the day there, wolves? Do you believe in the psycho theory? I do a bit, but not really on this stock. How soon can I get Jeremy? I don't know when. Nobody on the planet knows when this is going to happen. Kaz, can you send me a link to my email, please, there, my friend? Would be awesome. I'll look into that, man. It sounds very interesting. If you have time, if you can do it, but if you're on your smartphone, I know it's sometimes a pain in the ass. Just hit me tonight on that. You do have my handle for my Gmail, eh? Psycho theory, yeah. I do a lot of stocks. It's kind of hard to do the psycho theory with COVID, though. Okay? With the V. I hate that word. I say it every time I hate that word, but I do. So, in a perfect world, yes, it's a good system. It's a good system for sure. If we're not in a war, or if we're not have the V attacking us, if the interest rates aren't too high, like back in the 80s, like, yeah. But yeah, it's a good theory. But if you take that theory and you take a couple other theories together there, if you compile the information together and use it as a tool, but not as a crutch to like lean on, yes, it can be a very good tool. Because like I said, when I'm going to be doing swing trading or paper trading or whatever you want to call it, after this, I'm going to be doing a lot of it, because that's what I do, right? When I'm not long on a stock, I'm not talking with dividend stocks. I'm talking with low penny stocks. Penny stocks are the way to make some money, okay? And just speed trading them back and forth, like 3-4 stocks a day. Probably 3. I'll probably start on 3, just because I haven't been in it for a while. I'm off of my game a bit. So, oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so much, Tess. So yeah, back to that. What I was gonna say is, yeah, and we can do it together. I'll be doing it live. Okay, what I can do is I'll put a dummy chart up for you, like off of Weeble. I'll do a split 4 chart, and then I can put my on this one. I got 2 monitors that clip on the side of the laptop, and then I can bend them in, and I can just do my trading here while you guys are watching me, and I can do it and just tell you what the stocks are, and yeah. So that, yeah. And then we'll do a couple trades live. I'll do at least, I can't do it all the time because I got to concentrate, but I'll do one session a week. Maybe every 2, maybe, yeah, we'll do it once a week. We'll set a date on it. You get to play with your Hugo bot. No, I haven't played with it lately. I haven't played with it, Mr. L. I wanted to test out some software on video games last night, and I came up with this awesome idea. I was out because I hooked my PS4 controller, right? Which I'm not a big gamer. I just do it to just get my mind away from stuff, right? There's some not into games like 100%, even probably about 5% lately, but But what I did was I fired this convertible laptop up. You can, you know, a convertible, you can flip it out, right? But this thing has that new screen in it, that liquid shit screen in it, whatever. And I found out that you can hook your PS4 controller to Windows 11 and 10, right? You just got to hit the sync button on the top, put it on Bluetooth, and hit this sync button on the top along with this power button. The Bluetooth will connect. You can actually play video games off the screen like this wirelessly, right? So what I did was I was thinking, shit, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking, I'm gonna bounce this thing to the 4K UHD TV right here. It works good, but the flash rate, the hertz is only 30 on that. It's 60, but 30 only come up. And is it frozen? Nope. No, it's fine. I just checked it on another one. Thanks, though. Thanks, Frank. Thanks. I really appreciate when you guys say that, though. So I'm just going to finish this story, and I know it's a little bit off a topic here a little bit, but I was thinking, shit, I should just run my HDMI cable to the TV in the back, right? And I did, and it friggin' worked. It worked. So because this TV comes switches right around, and you can bring it right down, right? And I just sit over there, and I was playing it last night. And holy crap, I shut all the lights off in here. It was like I was right there, man. It was so cool. But anyways, enough about that stuff. Warzone. I love Warzone. I'm going to rate that. Sasha, I'm going to write that down because I've heard a lot of people mention that. Just give me a second. I want to look that up. Because I use Steam, and Warzone because most of the games are free on there, right? I usually don't pay for games unless I like the game, and then I'll pay for it. I'll support them. It's just there's so much bunk games out there nowadays. Don't they have a Warzone 2 out there? Okay, there you guys go. Back to the stock market stuff. I don't like this black screen on this tablet, though. There you guys go. Oh, I forgot something. Oh, it's free too? Good. There's nothing wrong with free. Warzone, native gamer. I knew I could get you. That's awesome. I was hoping you were on here. I knew that would trigger you. That's awesome. Warzone has a lot of hackers, so be prepared if you end up playing. Oh, I didn't know that. Native gamer, are you on Steam? I know this is off topic for a second, but just give me a second here. I want to link up and play some games with some people on my downtime. It won't be that often, but do you have my email? Send me your handle. Like Call of Duty. Oh, okay, I like that stuff. Send me your handle, and then if you're on, are you on that Steam network there? Because I wouldn't mind playing with some people or teaming up. Okay, so look at this. Look at that bunch of. I had to look to see twice if this was AMC with all that green. Beautiful, beautiful climb. Look at that. Looks like an elevator. It does look like an elevator. Yes, Sasha, I do the same. That's what I'm going to start doing. Between that and meditation. Come on, push. Let's do this. We've got 2.0. Okay, I'm going to go through the ticker chart here for you guys. I haven't done it in a while. Just give me a second here. I just got on my phone. I'm just answering a question from a couple of you guys that are on here actually messaging me. Emailing me. Okay. Wow, look at this. Yes, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Here we go. 41 across the friggin' board. 41.99999. Start levitating. We're not getting attacked. It's doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. It's beautiful. Excuse me. In real time. Okay. Yellowstone gives you the top 10 stocks mentioned on Reddit. It's a cool source. Okay, Tess. Beautiful. Beautiful. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go check it out. I'm going to check it out right now for you. Just give me a second. I just want to watch what this does here, because that's a positive sign right here. This dip here with the two reds. We'll see what happens. Which technical analysis means shit on this stock. You guys know that. I just want to watch this because this could be a push here that we need. God, the fucking volume's dumped off a little bit here though, which is fine. We're not being attacked, so that's fine. Little baby steps. Oh, Ed, what's up? Welcome back, my friend. We close at 43. Oh, that would be dope. That would be dope. That would be up around 8%. Give or take. I don't know. I didn't do the math. I'm just looking at 2%. It'd be more than that. It'd be more than that. 8%, 10% of would be $4. That'd be 20%. Would that be right? Would that be around 20? Okay. 10% of 40 is $4. Yeah, that'd be over 20. That'd be pretty high, man. I would love to see it. I know, Sasha. I know. I know. I just gotten shit from this. I keep on getting shit from this. I need to. Oh, you're talking about yourself? No, I need to. I need to too. Don't worry. You guys rag on me all the time about it, and it's. I gotta go reload. I'm actually out of juice right now. But anyways, okay, free. Hey Cam. What do you think about Gary Getzler? You think he is for the retail investor? I say about 70%. He can't be 100% for us because it's he's a cop, right? And that doesn't mean, I'm not saying because he's a cop, because he has to look at both sides. There is some bad with us too, and there's more good with us. There's more bad with them. But he has to be neutral. So he does see, I don't know how we would be corrupt, but what he's looking at is these platforms about how we get together and attack shit. They don't like that. Okay. So that's what they kind of are at, right, with that, my friend. So yeah, I do think he's on our side. It's kind of a weird word to say. I think he in favor is a better word than on our side. I think he's a little bit more in favor because of the dark pools, and he knows how hedge funds are screwballs, right? Anybody that would short a stock more, like they just did on a stock that they're fucking losing on, are screwballs, okay? Which is good for us. Let them be screwballs. I'm just saying. Does that help you out, Free, at all? I'm just compiling all the information in my head and making a decision on that, because you have to bring in crypto plays and all that stuff. I think it's kind of a good way what he's doing with the crypto thing is kind of a catch-22 on that one. Good morning, cryptos. I was just saying crypto playing cryptos, folks. Delisting some of the coins I think is a good idea. Yes, I do. Because it's gotten fucking insane. Okay, I'm not talking about our good ones. I'm not talking about, some people say Shiba's a shitcoin. No, I'm not talking about that. Okay, that's just some people. I don't think it is. But there's a lot of stuff that's these made up coins that are coming off of blockchains that don't even exist. There's a lot of fraudulent shit coming out of China, as we all know, right? There's a lot of crap. I think they need to regulate it. Yes, I do, which will give it the honest crypto plays a better go. It'll wean all the crap out, and it'll put more money into the crypto plays, the good stuff. Okay, the stuff that you guys are in. Workhorse, Sanjay, Workhorse is in a huge lawsuit right now, my friend. Just so you know that. Just so you're aware of that. They're getting their ass sued. And the SEC's all over them right now. I don't know the gist of it. I just know the outcome of it. I don't know what was involved in it. I know nothing about it. I just got an email on it to just one of my friends asked if I was in it, and I said no, and he's like, okay, because things are going sideways on that a little bit. I could see it definitely. It's a good company. They got caught lying about their vehicles, about the batteries or a whole bunch of components or something like that. I don't know really anything about it, so I'm not going to really comment on it too much. No. I wasn't talking about AMC. No. I was just watching AMC though. It's doing good. I'm liking it. As long as we don't get fucking ladder attacked right now, we're gonna do good. Excuse me. Manjeet! Yeah. I think you're right, Manjeet. What contract was that, girl? I like I said, I only know the gist about it, Manjeet. What contract was that? I just know about that they were having issues with the SEC and stuff. But hey, if it's low right now, that's when you. I can't give you financial advice, but you guys know, right? I don't know how much money you guys got and what your plays are, and that's up to you. That's private information. I don't want to know, right? It's just that if stocks are low and you know they're a good stock, like how I feel about BB, it's just I will not cash out of my positions. Like I'm put myself in not a predicament, but I got myself in a real good spot, I think. Well, because I'm in AMC, right? Yeah, see, they will. Well, because they're leaders in a lot of they have their own niche in everything, right? Yeah, Tess. Have a good one, my friend. So, look at this go. Look at this beautiful. I'm going to get a tattoo. That's going to match my sleeve that I'm working on right now. I'm just joking. But there we go. We got that sign again. We got listen to this. We got the threes here. We got the positive followed by three negatives and a positive. Come on, guys. What symbol is that? What statue is that? What does that mean? Throw it out there, guys. I want to see if you guys are paying attention to me while I'm trying to show you guys, teach you guys stuff on the stock market. What does that mean? We're having a little bit of a test today. Okay? What does that mean? A positive followed by three negatives and a positive. What is that? On the stock market. What does that mean? Yes. Yep, you nailed it. Mr. L got it. Mr. L is the winner. Won it. Good. Bull flag. A bull flag? Forming? I'm just trying to see how. Or you just, you're flying duck. Yeah, no shit. Oh, dick and balls. I'm going to show that. YouTube locked that. I like that. Tiger claw. Oh, silly chicken. Right on, guys. You guys are fucking deadly. That's friggin' hilarious shit. That's hilarious shit, man. Good thing I wasn't drinking my coffee when I seen that. But that's not. I'm looking at this right now. As you know, I'm not throwing technical analysis out there. I'm just getting you guys. It's just good stuff, that little basics to know, right? There's another one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Do you guys want me to keep on doing this? Do you guys like it when I go through symbols like this with you guys, or is it kind of boring stuff? I don't need to do it, right? I just see it myself, but if you want me to throw stuff out as we go. A running monkey. That's hilarious. You guys are freaking awesome. A running monkey. Right on. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure I answered all your questions here. Head and shoulders. You like it? Okay. So this is a hammer right here. Well, there's I'm using slang terms, guys, too. Okay. When you see this body with a wick on the top, or they call it different. I call it a hammer. Okay. They can call it a hammerhead. There's a whole bunch of different words. If you see a wick coming up with a full body on the bottom with no wick on the bottom, I call it a hammer. Okay. That's what I was taught. I have videos on it with that in there. Then the other one, one's an inverted, and one's an inverted hammer. I call it hammerhead. I think it's an hammer. Actually, is the correct name. One's an inverted and one's a hammer. Okay, so anytime it's just called, like, if you look at it, it has to have a body. No wick on the bottom or on the top. Just one wick with a body. Okay. There you go. And it depends on which way that hammer is turned to see a bullish or bearish sign. Okay. But technical analysis is off the table with AMC and GME and these meme stocks. Just see, and I've always will say that just so it gets into your head, right? Because I don't, but it will work on a lot of other stocks. Okay, when you're doing swing trading and stuff like that, that stuff comes into play. Okay, you need to know that stuff. You just make your percentages. You could know that symbol and it could go totally backwards, but there's an 80-90% chance that it's going to work in your favor. Okay, there's always a room for failure in the world on everything you do. Even if you've done a thing 1,000 times the same way, and it worked out 1,000 times the same way, you can still have failure. It's just the way the planet's designed. It's the law of positive and negative energy, right? Look at this. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Push, push, push. Let's friggin' do this. Here we go. Is it? 2 girls in a cup? Is that called a good time? Sorry, Frank. Come on. No pull back. Just push. We don't want to pull back. Here we go. Oh, you fuck. We got a fight happening here a little bit. I can see it. We're not getting attacked. It's just it's trying to make the algorithm's trying to make its decision here what to do. There it go. It picked our favor. Here we go. Come on. I was a crypto guy before I got into, so I have no idea how to recharge, but I'm learning. It's all. Okay. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah, it's a little bit different, crypto reading charts. Oops. Just unlock you. Haha. That's funny. That's funny. Look at this pattern we got. Damn, this is good. Just keep on going. Just keep on going. I don't care how small that body is there. Just keep on pounding the greens up. Okay, I'm going to go through the chart here, guys. I'm going to go through some stuff here. It's going to pull the chart off the side here. Guys, sorry about that. The numbers, I'll get back to that in a minute. Okay, Naked is Angel still on here? Naked is going up. Fuck, he's doing good if he's still in on that. He's made almost 3% of gain today. So Naked is at 0.61 right now, 2.61% in the green on that. GME 100 and I'm switching this around. I like GME and them on the top. Okay, so GME is 194.87, 2.47 in the green. Yes, yes, yes. Go, 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 go. AMC $41.15, 2.62 in the green. CCL Carnival Cruise Line is at $25 fucking dollars. This is awesome. This is awesome stuff. Wow, $25 and 1 cent, 2 cents, 5.98. Did they pay a dividend? I gotta check this out. They do. They pay a 9.89% dividend yield. That's on. I would be buying in on this if it was me and I had the money. Am I on the right one? No, I'm on the wrong one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Correction. Correction on that. Sorry, 2%. Which is fine, right? It's a travel sector. So, we're going to go back into AAL. American Airlines, $21.10, 2.83% in the green. Cost, $17.16, 0.29 in the green. Suncor Energy is $25.64, 2.03 in the green. Air Canada, $23.34, 1.21 in the green percent. Yeah, BB's still at 12%, 12.04. Wow, that's awesome. And this is the Canadian price, $13.68. Microvision MVIS is $12.69, 2.17 in the green. And it's going up. It just went up as I said that a little bit. So, some Canvas stocks. CGC, Canopy Growth, is at $14.56. Oh, it just changed on me. Just hang on. What the hell? Okay, Canopy, yeah. It's at 2.65%. I just want to make sure that because it changed. Okay, Sundial is at 70 cents. It's 0.73%. Okay, let's get into some crypto here. Wow, it's just still not correcting here. Okay, Dogecoin is at 22 cents, 1.18 in the red on that. Cardano, ticker symbol ADA, $2.24, 2.11 in the red. Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, $44,110. It is 0.01 in the green. Ethereum, ETH, is $3,120. It is pretty much par. It's like 0.05 in the red. Okay. Let's go back to AMC. There we go. There we go. We're almost cracking 3% here. We're going to do it right now. It'd be nice to get this over 43 bucks today. That'd be beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Just trying to think how high would we have to go? $4. We'd have to think about that. $4, 2%, 10%. Yeah, it's quite a bit still. We can do it though. We've done it before. Easy. Oh, I didn't cover a couple I see on the left side. I didn't cover Tesla. Is at 750.77 is 0.15 in the red. Clove, $7.92, 0.55 in the green. Sorry about that, guys. Just want to check out the VWAP. We're still below the VWAP. Not by much, though. Or we're above the VWAP. Not by much. We're above it, though, which is good. We're getting up there, guys. The RSI. There's when it was at $70, 61, 69. We're not looking that bad, actually, guys. We're not looking bad at all. Let's check volume out. We had a lot of volume come in at about 7:52 or 7:53, 7:55 in the morning. We had lots of volume coming in there in the green. We'll see. We're still young in the day, really young. What time is it? 8:23. Fuck, it's still early. Still early. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, read some questions here. Right on, Sanjay. Yeah, we'll have fun doing that, my friend. We'll have fun doing that. Okay, that has me excited to go swing trade. I just wanted to say thank you for the stream and feedback. I'm going to go play. Yeah, not a problem. You have a great day. You have a good day, my friend. Not a problem. Yeah, not a problem. Come join us. Some Warzone. Now you got me thinking about it. I'm just joking. I got a lot to do today after this, guys. I got lots to do today. Today's a busy, busy, busy day. Are you guys having a busy day today, too, after all this? What are your guys' plans for the day? Just hanging out and chilling, or no line watching? We do enough of it here. I'm just joking. You guys do whatever you want. Come on, we need that next push. Push. Come on. We need this other, we need the little moon time here. We need some more, I'll match you on that, Frank. I'll match you, my friend. I'm only allowed 20 wolves. They got in trouble from YouTube. Well, not in trouble, but they wouldn't let me post because I threw too many wolves out there. Oh, are you watching us at work there? There's a lot of you guys do that. I probably would too. When I was working that 3 months, because I had to go back to work for a couple months there, I was actually well, you guys that were on the channel for a long time, I went and bought one of those Samsung watches, which they're junk, right? Well, I shouldn't say they're junk. They're actually good watches, but not for doing stock trading on. I went and bought it, and because I kept on worrying about the squeeze. Citizen, right on. You sound like me, my friend. I was worried about the squeeze because I had to send you guys out a SOS podcast if it squeezed, right? This was like, fuck, a long time ago. Right on. And what was happening was it was freezing on me. Frank, that's hilarious. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. You guys make me laugh every morning, man. You guys make me laugh every morning. I love doing this. Like, I'll do this for the rest of my life, hanging out with you guys every day. It's nice meeting new people coming into the group, and just and then we got the veterans in the group, right? It's awesome, man. It's awesome. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys. I like I said, I wasn't finished doing that. What we did was we tried doing a Zoom last night with Tim, Crypto Man there, and we were having problems with the verb feedback. So what we might have to do is we might just have to put him on audio. If you guys, excuse me, if you're okay with that, we could put him or actually we could actually do live. He just has bad internet down there in his place off his laptop. And the guy got another job. He has like 5 jobs. 4 or 5, I think it was. The guy's nuts. But yeah, he went and bought a whole whack of AMC the other day. I was like, what the hell? Well, good for you, bud. But yeah, he's working another job. So like he will make time, he said, on Friday between at about 5:30. So we'll come on the air at 5 and he'll just come on. And I could have him on there, but I can't. I'm going to have to unplug this mic because that's where we're getting that reverb, is from that mic and my camera mic. They're both trying to feed back and forth. So, but the problem is with the camera mic, it's just the volume isn't as crisp, right? So, what do you guys think? Do you want him on live on an actual on the screen, or because it could be cutting out and screwing our thing around here, or do you want him just on audio like last time? Are you okay with that? It doesn't matter to me. Hey, I never thought about this. If I go through my phone and put a virtual camera up on OBS and put it up on the screen, there wouldn't be any feedback with audio. I don't know. That's too much messing around, I guess. I'll let you guys figure it out. You guys tell me what you want. It was okay with him on audio last time. I know that. Like, it was really easy to answer. Damn. Oh, audio is okay, Mr. L? Okay, we can just do audio. I can always put a picture of him. I'll make a banner with a picture of his Money Militia. And I'll put it up on the screen with us talking live with Money Militia. Okay? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, just so people know, and I'll put up a thumbnail. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you. It makes it way easier on me. I just don't want to mess up our feed, right? And, yeah. And I don't think he has the best laptop either, and his internet speed, right? So he's starting like I did, right? He's, it's good enough for trading on because he just trades like AMC and crypto, right? He doesn't really do, like I said, his channel's all new. This shit's expensive, right? Like, you guys know that. When you can buy crappy audio, you can buy crappy stuff, but it's junk, right? You got to buy good high-end stuff. And I'm not saying all my stuff's high-end. Some of it is mediocre. Some of it is low budget, but the computers themselves, you got to buy good stuff, right? You got to have a gaming computer to run all of this stuff. I've tried doing it the other way, and it's a headache. Like, I wish I had more monitors. Like, I would love to have 2 more curved screens above me. Subtitles? I can put subtitles on, but I don't think they'll show up until afterwards there, Sanjay. Until after the video renders. Okay? Because you have to think we are in 4K now. Okay? We're not in 1080p. We're broadcasting in 4K now. It should say that. Yeah, it should say that. I love my career. No retirement for me, regardless of... Well, hey, Joe, that's pretty good if you like your job, right? That's like me. When I'm doing this. You know what I mean? It's still work, right? Instead of... I could be sitting watching the news hour on TV right now, kicking back and drinking my coffee, and I was joking. But that's funny what you heard. I was just reading what Sanjay said. But I don't mind doing this, right? This is classed as work, right? A lot of people do this for work, right? Sit in front of computers and in an office or something. It's the same shit. I have one, Citizen. I have a video card in here that supports 4 monitors. This computer I got is a... well, you guys have the specs below. It doesn't... The TMC... The TM whatever, it doesn't support Windows 11, though. And it's brand new. The laptop does, though. It has that mod, that T... I forget what it's called. Something T module in it. It's for encrypting your stream from hackers. But it doesn't have that. It's something to do with virtual... fuck, I forget. I won't even... I'll shut up because I don't know what I know what I'm talking about, but I don't know the actual name of it and shit, so I'll shut up on it. Wow, man, we're getting this downpour. Who said this today? What's his name again? He's new to the channel. Sasha. He's I want to be a Wolfpack swing trader. Australia. Yeah, not a problem, guys. Not a problem. You guys can watch me make money and lose money really fast. It's fast-paced game, right? And like I said, I take the greed fucking crap off the table. If I lose, I lose, right? I only play for what I have. It is what it is, right? You guys can swing trade right beside me. You guys know that, right? You guys can do the same shit. I just can't tell you what to do. But I will be doing it all live. I'll be doing the swing trading live, right? Once that matte screen gets to the back of the TV here, you guys can watch all the swing trading live. Okay, because I'll be broadcasting it. Well, you can just watch it on your phone. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. That's kind of stupid. But if you guys are going to do the swing trading, unless you want me to do the DD for you, but you got to get up at like 3 in the morning. You guys know that, right? It's a totally different game. You got to find out the volume that's coming in the markets. You got to pull up charts like this. You got to have this up. You got to find out where your volume's coming in. You got to look at the volume right here. First thing in the morning, you got to come in here on the pre-market, find out what stocks are pumping, and that's when you dump in. But you got to get the news too. You got to coincide the together. So you're looking at this, like that one I would stay the hell out of. Even though it's up 15%, you want to target the ones with the big volume, right? And then that's what you do, and you're gambling. It's straight up fucking gambling, man. And like this one right here, I would have jumped in on in the morning. There's a bunch right here that Iron Net. If you make going anything over 10 to 20% a day, 10% a day is good. Okay, you have to remember to take greed off the table. If I make 10% on my money in one day, or like in a couple hours, I pull out. I'm done. Okay. So that's what you do is I reap small benefits, and which at the end of the week adds to a lot. Okay, it's just if you get greedy and stay in too long, what can happen is, that's weird. What happens is you can get stung, okay, on that. I just had an alarm go off for AMC. Oh, it's just saying it's up, or it was up. That was from this morning. That's weird. I just got it now. Okay, I'll put the numbers back on the side for you guys. There you guys go. Shit, I don't think you wanted to see that. So we're going to be back where we started from. I think we are. We're back where we started from this morning, pretty much. Oh, we're below from when we started this morning. Shit. It is one of those days. Okay, I just unlocked a comment from, just hang on a second, from Jeremy. What do you think about the hedge funds? You guys gonna just watch I don't care if you swear, but if you swear on here and I don't catch the comment, right, and I don't unlock it, just notice it doesn't come up on the chat bar. It's because YouTube locks it. I don't get all of them, just so you guys know. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, what do you think of the hedge funds? MM side is like watching a... Yes, they are shitting their pants. They're shitting their pants, and they're hoping that they just double down. Like, they literally fucking almost doubled down on the shorts. Like... And Sanjay, that's at a low, okay? 5 to 10 is a low. You could also hit the mother load where you're up like hundreds of %, okay? But I'm just talking like, it just, yeah. You know what I mean, right? You just can't get greedy. Well, you can. It's just that you better have a big bank account. Yeah, there is options expiring. Yes, there's a whole bunch of the margin calls supposedly on Friday too. Okay, I'm just looking at you guys' comments here. I'm just gonna give me a second here. I'm just gonna jump into some stuff here. This fucking computer's fast, man, for being wireless. Damn it, bastards. Bunch of bastards. Fuckers, man. Oh, hey, I have two, my friend. I have two. Excuse me. I've lost. What date is it? Oh, okay. I was wondering. I just got a message. Okay. Enough of that stuff. Sorry, guys. Kind of stalling here a bit. Even with AMC, I won't be greedy. Yeah, you guys, that's up to you, but I know 80% of you are selling what I'm selling. I already know that. I've been already because of my emails and stuff like that. I can't tell you guys what to do. It's just that even if I sell and it goes up another couple, like 1,000, 2,000%, it is what it is. I don't look at the past. I will be okay with my brackets. I'm okay with that. I know what I need to continue. And that's not the last play. You got to take that out of your mind. Like, it's the last play. Unless you're out of the stock market. But you have other plays. There'll be thousands of plays down the road before I die. on the stock market. Not plays as in squeeze plays. I probably will not enter another squeeze play. I probably won't, because it's not going to be the same as this one. They've changed the rules, okay? It's not going to be the same, okay? It won't be in our favor. I'm telling you that right now. But yeah, like crypto plays, I'll have my long crypto and then I'll have my swing trading crypto. There'll be different types. Different types of coin are for different stuff, right? The ones that are more volatile that go up and down, like I don't know. I'm not going to name one because I'd have to do some research, and I don't like giving information right off the top of my head unless I look into it. But there will be definitely coins that I'll be flipping, right? Ones that are very versatile. When I mean that have big sweeps on it. Yeah. Okay. We doing this, guys. We're friggin' doing it. Get back up there, you bastard. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into some yes. Mr. L, you nailed it. You nailed one of that. It's my number one crypto play. Do you own huge in that, my friend? That thing is, I'm waiting for it to dip, which it's going to. It's going to dip quite a bit, just with the whole market. I'm fucking loading up. That's my number one crypto. Okay. A lot of people are into Dogecoin. I don't blame them. It's just that I have my reasons why I'm not. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to get into it too much. I've just done a lot of research on it, and I'm not saying it's a bad coin at all. Right, I'm not. I'm just waiting to see what these rules are that come out with the SEC on that stuff, and because I know a lot of people own money in that, right? And I'm not saying it's bad at all. It's just that I have my opinion on things, right? Fuck. Okay, there we go. I have my opinion on things. And I just, I'm in it for money, okay? A lot of people are into it just because of different reasons. It is what it is, right? I'm going to be looking at it. A lot of it, if it's blood coin, I'm not into it, okay? I'm not supporting blood coin, okay? That's right, Sanjay. That's right. And then your taxes off of that, right? You should have a tax account, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, when you make a play, to take your what your money is off, I'll be putting 45% into an account immediately, right off the top. Remember how I operate? I go low. My expectations are low. When I pay taxes, I overpay. Okay, it's just the way I operate. What is a good entry for Cardano? Sorry, Joe. I was talking so much about a crypto. I can't. I was talking different. Okay, just give me a second here. I'll just answer free for a second. What's a good entry buy for Ken? Free. I'm waiting for, this is just what I'm doing. I'm waiting for the fire sale. Okay, crypto isn't done doing its down pull yet. It hasn't even started. I hate to tell you guys that. So I just wanted to enlighten you on that, okay? And if you guys own in this stuff, you guys know what to do. It's not financial advice, but if I own this, I would hold it long. Same as my other stocks when they collapse. I'm not going to start selling off all my dividends on all my stocks just because they go down to like hardly anything. They'll correct. The market will correct. But free, you watch the channel all the time. When you see me buy, you'll know the answer. Okay, my friend? Cardano's going to be one of my biggest plays in crypto. It's just because of the backing and all that stuff. Yes. Yes, Mr. L said it. If it hits 180, it's a fucking steal. Okay. What I was told by our crypto guy is that anything under $2 is a good deal. Anything under like $1.80 is a fucking slam dunk all day long. Okay. What is blood coin? Okay, blood coin means that it's the way it's mined. Okay. There's a lot that are, and there's some isn't. Okay. It's how it's mined. If it's used for like fossil fuel, if it's made out of China, okay, is one of the main places. We're not being racist or anything. We're just targeting the aspect of the whole scenario. Okay. If it's mined using fossil fuel or nuclear energy or something like that is not environmentally safe, that is called blood coin. It's ruining the environment. It's called about the carbon footprint. I do not support that. Okay. If it is mined like up in Canada, all the coin is mined with water power. Okay. Down in California is with some of it is most of it is, and most of it is mined with wind. Okay, energy. That is good. Okay. If it's mined with water, hydro dams, that's fucking good. It's the same thing as wind. If it's mined with sun, which is kind of hard to do because you got to have a lot of solar panels with that, but you can do it. Okay, that is good. Anything else is called blood coin. Okay, and that actually is bad, and a lot of people are getting away from that, and that can actually hurt your currency. Okay, so that's one thing that you got to look out first, over and above everything, is to see if it's a blood coin. That's one of the criteria I look for, and a lot of people do too, especially the younger generations that are into this carbon footprint stuff. Okay, and the world's changing that way. Okay, does that help you guys out at all? Okay, and that's just one aspect. Okay, but that's what distinguishes it between blood coin. I agree with you. Okay. Sorry, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is probably one of the worst ones. Yeah, I hate to say that. It just has a bad history. It uses a lot of kilowatts to produce a Bitcoin chain block. Okay, off the Bitcoin chain. Good answer, thank you. Okay, what would 5 be enough to? Yeah, that's a pretty good chunk of money. Yeah, it is. Actually, I'm proud. For what reason? For swing trading it or long play? I would watch swing trading Cardano, right? You can. Tim does it. Our crypto guy swing trades the shit out of it because it always returns back to its normal state. Okay, it can go down, but if you see that it will always rebound back, it's a very solid coin. Yeah, see, there you go. Citizen just nailed another thing. It's used for on the open market for buying drugs. I'm not going to mention a whole the other stuff off of the black market. It's the #1 coin used for that. It's just that could be used any coin, but I'm just saying that there's a whole bunch of contributing factors that could lead to a down spiral of that coin. Okay, long play. I'm not saying it's going to crash or anything. I'm just saying that you got to look at all the positives and negatives, pros and cons. Okay, on anything. I always do, right? Long play. Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah. Thumbs up. Yeah. Tim's going to get more into that on Friday. If you join into the channel on Friday, he's really educated on that stuff. He's told me, and I was just blown away about how that coin is mined, how it has financial backing, and how it's different than any other coin. It's tied into a whole bunch of shit. I don't know. I'm not going to comment on something I'm not 100% or even 90% accurate. I don't know. Okay, I just know the aspects of it. Okay, and he fucking sold it all day long to me. Okay, so not all day long, but I was sold. So, yeah. Does that help you guys out at all? Okay, let's have a look here. Let's have a look-ski. I'm just going to go down the profile to see what's happening here. I'm going to have to jump on my other chart here. Just bear with me. Wow, Carnival Cruise is going up even more. Damn, that's a good one. You have to remember, when all this stuff collapses, you have to start thinking about the recovery of the economy. What's going to recover first? What are people going to do first once these limitations are taken off? They're going to travel. Okay, so you got to remember that one. Yeah, Bitcoin's all in the red right now. It's down spiraling fast. Again. Okay. Wow. That's crazy. I was just looking at something here. Okay, I'll be back on GME for you. Okay, we'll get into some more questions here. So is XRP. What are your thoughts on banks coming out with $1 trillion by what if they don't have it? Free, I don't know anything about that. Well, I do. I shouldn't say nothing about it. Probably about what you know. I don't think anything's going to happen if they don't. It's going to be default. They're going to have to borrow money off someone. Or they're going to have to pass the buck off. They're going to have to pull out of their position and sell it to another broker. That's what I think is going to happen. It won't do anything to us. That has nothing to do with us. Your broker might say that, hey, we're not selling this anymore, and they'll give you a couple links where you could transfer your money, your shares for free. There won't be any penalizing on. That's the worst case scenario that can happen. I don't see it happening, but that's the worst case scenario, my friend. Because they got to have that $1 trillion because of these stocks, right? Okay, Proud, yes, cold wallets. I did good cock. I was looking into that stuff. The cold wallet, what I'm assuming is all it is a rack of numbers. It's with your account on it. It really doesn't do anything. All it does, well, it does do some things. All it does is keeps your chain number a chain, your blockchain number, okay, for your wallet, your actual physical wallet, okay, and keeps it in sync into a canister or a tube, and then you put it in your safe, or you can bury it in a plastic tube somewhere in the bush with some silica in there so it doesn't rust. You can get stainless steel ones that don't rust. We're going to talk to Tim about that. I heard that those nano drive things, but then the batteries can go dead. I've done a lot of research on this stuff in the last couple of weeks. The battery can go dry. Then there's the thumbprint one, but then the thumbprint thing can corrode and it won't pick up your finger because of the acids on your skin. A lot of them use copper for that reason, or brass. If you lose the key, you're fucked. What I found is get a piece of aluminum, go to Prince's Auto. I don't know if you guys know what that is, a cheap tool place. Go buy yourself a die and punch set, punch your numbers out on a plate of aluminum, okay, and hide it somewhere. There's your cold wallet for fucking cheap instead of $100. Probably cost you what, $20? Not even. I have an Andrew ledger. I still have to switch over. Okay. Yeah, that nano ledger. That's what I'm talking about. There's pros and there's cons with that. You still got to physically go onto a computer, and then the best way to do it is lock your computer, because you can remotely fire up any fucking computer on the planet. Okay, I know that for a fact. This thumb scan shit on your phone, You can just get the key off. You can get the code off that on your phone. Your phone's the worst thing to be doing Bitcoin and I mean crypto transfers on is your phone. I heard. I've been just doing a lot of videos on the YouTube. Didn't Sim say he doesn't use them for a cold wallet? He did mention something about that, but he was going to look into some stuff for us. I'll send him a text tonight, and I'll remind him. He's probably going to come up with the same stuff you guys have already looked at, right? I know he does lots of his stuff off his computer and his phone. We'll find out the answer, guys. But the plate with the aluminum and punching the numbers on it, that's what I'm doing, right? So that's a cold wallet. It's cold. You can't get any fucking colder than that as a plate of fucking aluminum. I'm just joking. But what it is a cold wallet means that the word cold, because I even looked that up, means that there's no transmitter, no device in it that can be attacked. It's stamped. That's it. That's your number. That's your number for life for your wallet. Okay? You don't want to store it on your computer. What if your computer fucks up? What if the hard drive, something happens? And back to remote access. Anybody can fire up anybody's computer while it's turned off. Okay? Especially on sleep mode. Okay? Your phone is the worst thing. Hackers can get into that second verification where it sends the number or sends you a text. Those are the worst. Those are the worst. You can get those rerouted to another computer. Okay, and then they got fucking everything. They can lock everything along with the fingers. The best one is the key that goes into your USB drive, or they got the C port ones that go into your phone. It's a pain in the ass to unlock every time. They come on your keychain. You can get those. They can use them in multiple computer devices. It's a one-time deal, right? If you lose your key, there is ways that you can, the key's registered with the company, you can get a remake of the key. But then a third party has your information again if their main cloud's hacked. See, there's a lot of stuff that is like all over the place with this shit. So the ones that I'm going to stay away from are the ones with a battery in them. These flashes that have batteries in them. I definitely want the fingerprint scan along with the key. I'm going to get a key, even though I have a VPN and all that stuff. My computer, the laptop's locked. You can't get into it. Unless you're a really good hacker. It has face recognition. For when I log in, it does a face scan on my face and it locks. Plus, it has a fingerprint. It has two different authentication verification things. And I'm actually getting a third one on it because this is where all my shit's going to be stored is on the laptop. And then I'm going to have my cold wallet, which is the CS cold, the wolf wallet, I'll call it. It's going to be just a step numbers with on a piece of aluminum with a punch. Right? Okay, does that help you, my friends? At all? What time is it here? I'm going to jump off here pretty soon, guys. Or actually, it's 9 o'clock. Just let me check. I'm going to go through Twitter here first before I actually jump off here. I'm going to check out some stuff. Yeah, I don't know why that guy's... They're still saying that Citadel's cleaning their fucking offices out because they're going bankrupt. Yeah, that's old news. I don't know why somebody's putting that on YouTube right now. I know, Sanjay, it's stressful. I know exactly this hack shit. I know anything can be hacked. It's just that the VPN's the best thing to do. Right off the top, VPN the shit out of it. Yes. Oh, before it just came up. Haven't done the VPN yet. I never heard about that one. I would VPN the shit out of get a VPN. That pure VPN is cheap and it works good. I've had it for 5 years. For 5 years, I think it's like $80 for 5 years. Okay, you can put it on multiple devices. You can put it on your Android, Apple, Mac computer, PC, all in one. Mine's all in one. It's all one password. It does it all. That's the first line of defense I would have. Second would be obviously a cold wallet, but I would not go buy one for $100 or $200 fucking dollars. They're on glue. They're on fucking glue. Just stamp it on aluminum, because aluminum doesn't rust. It just tarnishes, right? Yeah, no shit, eh? That's funny, Sanjay. Okay, let's look this up for Freeman here. Free. Humble Fuma. Whoa. What the hell happened here? What the hell? Huh. What the hell is going on here, Free? Okay, I must have the wrong one. I did. I had the wrong one. What? Okay, what's going on here? Holy shit. Is this what you're talking about, my friend? Oh, it's pure VPN. I'll put it on the thing for you, my friend. And just look into it. It's really good. It is out of China, but everything is nowadays. But they give a really good deal. They're probably one of the cheapest. Hey, and if I refer you, I think you get it 20% or 30% off. If you're going to buy it, get a hold of me. If you're going to buy it, get a hold of me, because I had just a thing sent in the mail. I had a thing sent in the mail on my mail email saying that they have a promotion on right now for it. I'll click into it right now. Just give me a second. I'll click onto it right now. It's right. Is this the right one, Free? Am I on the right one? Are you still on there, my friend? I don't know anything about this stock, bro. It's cheap. It's up 1.28. No volume at all. Well, I shouldn't say 1.50. That's all right for volume, I guess, on a small stock, because some of them are in the K. There we go. Okay. IP Vanish. They're expensive, man, and they pretty much, I shouldn't say, yeah, that's it. Okay. Hi, Captain. How you doing? Oh, that's the one. I don't know anything about this, Free. I see a lot of fucking red in it, which isn't a good sign right away. Yeah, dude. I don't look at the wicks. Shit. Yeah, dude. I don't like that. That means that it's testing out the water. Yeah, look at that. That's not good, man. That's not good, bro. Yeah, I don't. I'd have to look into it, but I don't. I don't like what I see, my friend. On that right away. But it could be a good stock. If you're really interested in buying into it, I'll have a better look for you, dude. But right away, I don't like the sign, what I see. Yeah, no kidding, eh? No kidding, eh? We're getting schwackled again here. Schwackled, backled. I'll put us on the 1 minute here. Actually, the half an hour chart looks better than the 1 minute. Okay, so I was going to look up. What was I going to look? Oh yeah, I know what I was going to look up for you. I was going to do some work here for you guys. A minute here. Give me a second. Okay, so I'll look up the VPN here for you. Here's the referral code. Do you want me to copy? Or who's looking? I can't put it on. Actually, I can. Or no, I can't. Water stocks. Just hang on a second. It might do reverb on you guys. Just hang on. It might do a fucking reverb on you. Because I'm going into this place where it does. I'm just going to paste this link. Okay, and then I'll be back off again. Who's looking? I can't put it on. Actually, I can. Or no, I can't. Water stocks. Water stocks. Okay, there you go. There's your link. That's the referral. For I'll pin it. I'll pinhead it for you. There you go. It's pinned to the top. That's what I use. There you guys go. Yeah, not a problem, Free. Not a problem, my friend. I just looked at it right now. Yeah, okay, you got same deal, I think. They're pretty much all the same, my friend. That's cheap. 5 years for $80? Fuck yeah. Can you use it on as many devices you want? I think this one's like 5 or 10 devices, I think. But it might be cheaper than I don't know, because that referral code, I've never referred myself. I don't know anything about it. I just know that I got an email saying that they're having this promotion on this month. That's all. That's all, my friends. I'm actually going to click on it and see what happens on the referral. It should tell me something. There we go. You get a free trial for 30 days too, okay? You get premium service for the next... And they have a 24-hour day, 7 days a week hotline. I've actually called them before, and because I wanted to hook it up on one of my Android boxes, right? And along with AdGuard and this VPN, you're pretty much indestructible, okay? It doesn't tell the prices on here. You're going to have to get them your email, I think, on it. Okay, 10 logins, man. That's huge. That's huge. So you can even hook up your partner's phone on there and all this stuff. And it secures 256-bit secure encryption, which is fucking huge. That's Army issue shit. That's Army encryption. It's P2P allowed, which is good. It secures your Wi-Fi on top. There's an internet kill switch on it, which is a huge bonus. I don't know, and there's a money-back guarantee for a month on it. Have you heard of internet choking, where they choke your internet speed back? These providers do, like my provider does too. This unlocks that, eh? So they can't choke your internet speed. Just so you guys know that, eh? Just so you guys know. Anyways, enough of that. Okay, Captain Obvious. What's your feelings about time frame for the hedge funds will tap out? Ooh, that's a good question. I don't know, man. I thought they would have tapped out 4 months ago. I don't know where the fuck they're getting all this money from. I think that they're margined the shit right out. I think that they have got loans out. I think that they're just hoping that we're going to give up. I don't know why they doubled down or not doubled down. Well, I think some of them have. Have you looked at, Captain Obvious, have you looked at the fucking volume short interest rate today? It's up there with one of the highest days that we've seen. Which means they shorted it even more. So there you guys go. Yes, Jeremy, they do. Yes, they do. They choke all the internet speeds. They do. So what an internet choke is if you're using too much data, and you can do that because this thing has a built-in speed test in it. Okay? So if you're paying for internet, say 150, like me, and I'm only getting internet 75, this thing can unlock that so you get full. But that's illegal when they choke it. It's fucking really illegal. You're paying for a service and they're not giving you that. So if you do a speed test on your internet and it's not saying what it is, I would be calling the provider and ripping a strip off them and saying, I'm going to sue you guys. Fucking open my internet speed up. They can unchoke it. So what they do, especially if you're in a subdivision, if you're not using a certain amount of internet speed, they will draw back on it and pull back on it, okay? And then when you need it, it's like, fuck, it's lagging. Because they find out how much internet you use, and then they just choke it to that because they know, and they'll give you a little bit extra. Because if your neighbor's using more than you, they'll give them more. Does that make any sense to you at all? Because there's only so much internet speed out there. Screen's frozen again. Is it? It's working over here, my friend. Yeah, it's working here, Frank. Yeah, I got 4079, and I just hit the thing. Oh, I see what happened. Oh, the actual screen, like YouTube screen, was frozen. I know what you're saying. That's my bit rate. I gotta put the bit rate up higher on my. I got a warning this morning from YouTube for that. I just can't do it while I'm streaming. It wasn't until I clicked? Okay. Not a problem. Thank you, Frank. I appreciate that, bro. For sure. Options is feeding this. For sure. If people would stop buying options and on AMC, for sure. They don't need to claim that money. When you're out on that, that's a pocket. That's an internal embezzlement. Okay, so what they do is when you're out on that, I know that for a fact, that they just take that money. They don't need to claim it, right? It's internal. So what they do is just carry it over to pay their debts and kick the can down the road. Yeah, that would be good, Manjeet, for sure. For sure. That would have to be 8% though. 40, 82. That'd have to be like 8 to 9%. Well, we're at $3. Yeah, that'd have to be 8-9% today. I hope so, but what time is it? Oh, it's still early. It's still early. We still even got the 10. We didn't get the 10 o'clock push yet, and we don't got power hour yet. So a lot can happen in this stock, right? We got a lot to go back to get to this 41 up here, though. We punched through a resistance line 1. We got to get through another resistance line, which is going to take a little bit, but we need some volume. We're lacking 25. Yeah, we're lacking a little bit of volume here, but you have to remember it doesn't really matter. It's still being diverted through the dark pool, right? That's the friggin' problem. 100%. This thing would be up really high right now. There wouldn't be any down days, I don't think. It'd be very rare if it wasn't from the dark pool. There you go, Sanjay. If it goes back into the 30s again, I'm going to load up more. If it gets in the lower 30s, that's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer. Drone strike shit it down. Do. Is that your cat, Sanjay? On your avatar? Is that a cat? I can't see. It looks like a cat. Is that a cat or a dog? It's a long photo. Excuse me. I love animals. I'm actually going to be donating some food today to the Animal Society, actually. I got a case of food right here. Why don't you want it to go to the 30s? That'll give it a chance for people to buy in more, and that will go higher the price overall. This means nothing, these prices, guys. You got to get that out of your head. When it squeezes, it's going to go. It doesn't matter what price. If it goes to the 30s, you know how many people are going to load up on that? It'll make it so the overall price when it squeezes will be even higher. Okay, guys? It'll be more versatile. It wouldn't stay there long if it went down there. And I'm not talking like down to 30, but if it went in the 30s, I'm tempted not to even put more in. I'd have to liquidate something though. But yeah, the numbers mean nothing on the screen though. Really. It's just satisfaction for looking in your bank account. But when I look at my bank account, it's back to that higher power, that universe stuff. Is that when I look at my bank account, I see multiple zeros beside my numbers anyways. That's just how my mind is, right? That's called power of attraction. I know, Manjeet, I do too. I want to be done with this. It's getting monotonous. I want it to be done too. I do. It'd be nice to just get our stuff and over and done with. But what I'm saying, yeah. Manifest destiny. You got it, Frank. I do it all the time, my friend. Like I said, when I put I've done this and I tested it out. It started 6 years ago. I was thinking about, I'm going to retire by the time I'm this age. I was a year behind and it fucking happened. But I had to go back to work because of the COVID, so it wasn't a foolproof plan. But and then I thought about paying my house off, and it fucking happened. I don't even know how. I can't even fucking wrap my head around it. It's because of the plays. You set yourself up. I don't even know why I was looking at the COVID stock on the stock market. I have no interest in that shit, right? But something drew me to it. Okay. And something made me buy it. I would never buy something like that. And then my quad. I always wanted this quad. It was like $12,000, right? It's fucking expensive. I was thinking, fuck, I'll never be able to afford to buy something like that. And then all of a sudden, I got a check in the mail from the government for overpaid taxes. There was the quad, right? So, my trailer. I always wanted an RV. It was like 50, 60 grand. I'm thinking, fuck, I would never be able to afford that, especially with a mortgage on it. My wife bought it for me. Okay, she ran into some money. She got a check in the mail too. So, and then, yeah, it's about this power of attraction thing, and I 100% believe in it. This isn't like God stuff I'm like preaching or anything like that. It has something to do with that. Yes, it's connected. And you got to believe in something. Even if you believe in nothing, you're still believing in something. Does that make any sense to you? So yeah, it works. I'm 1,000% positive on that. Okay. Have you ever heard of people thinking that they're sick all the time and then all of a sudden they die because they're sick? It has happened lots. Okay. There's people that walk around thinking there's something wrong with them all the time. They're wishing ill upon themselves. Does that make any sense to you guys? So I've tested this theory out so many frigging times, and every time it happens, okay? And then when I think negative shit happens, okay? So that's why I'm very positive on this. I know in my heart that this is going to be a deal breaker, okay? And that's up to you whether to believe in it or not. I'm not trying to sell you anything because I already believe in it. I already know it works, right? Just watch the videos on YouTube. You got to take that with a grain of salt. Some of that, like the frequency, listening to sounds and stuff, is bullshit, okay? The reason why is because when you record something and you listen to it on the other end, those frequencies have changed, okay? All that is clickbait, okay? And it's all about vibrations that you send out, okay? If you're a negative person, negative shit's gonna happen to you. If you're a positive, caring person, good stuff's gonna happen to you. And I'm not saying I'm the most passionate person in the world. I know I am, but I can work on it, of course, right? Donations, like into stuff like my wife does. Like today I'm donating food. I'm always doing that kind of stuff. Even though it's not huge in a lot of people's eyes, but that can feed an animal for a week. Does that make any sense to you? To us, we take things for granted. All of us do. Even if you think you don't, you do in some ways, okay? But yeah, enough of that. I just wanted to throw that out there. And of course I could work on it, right? There's room for improvement on everything in life. And yeah, it just, I'm a living proof that it can happen. I know that, and I've mentored a lot of my friends into it, and their lives have changed. There is videos on YouTube that you can listen to, yes, but the ones with the high frequency shit telling you that this 500 frequency, if you listen to this for 7 hours for a week, it's not going to do nothing, okay? Do you know what's going to do something? Is you believing in that, okay? That's what will do something, okay? I just want to tell you guys that, because there's a lot of bullshit out there, okay? Just seven pillars of success. Read the book. Strange Secrets. That's another one. There's another one. Yeah, there's a bunch out there, my friend. There's a bunch out there that are really good. If they don't have a couple million subscribers or a couple million followers to their books, don't even have nothing to do with them, okay? They do need to be forced to cover. That's what I'm going to do. Send some vibes out there. But yeah, you can't use it for negative. It will backfire on you. Do not ever use that. I'll tell you that right now, okay? Don't ever use that that positive attraction shit for the negative. You'll end up very sick, okay? Just so you know that. I'm just giving you heads up on that. It's not made for that. It'll backfire on you. Okay. Anyways, enough of the voodoo stuff. No, I'm just joking. It's not voodoo stuff. I actually am a very strong believer in it. So, anyways, yeah, enough about that. $40.70. We have a little bit of ways to go. That's why when people are worried about the price on this stock, I'm like, don't worry about it. I hope, if it goes down to 30, who cares? Because I know, because of the positive vibes, I know what the mathematical formula is. I know what the outcome is the shorts have to cover. It doesn't matter about this price, okay? That's why I always try to say that to you guys, because I don't want you guys stressed out. If you're sitting there stressed, I need this in life, I need this in life, I need this to go this, it's not going to happen for you. I'm trying to tell you that. That's not the way to do it. If you're stressing out, I need to do this, I need this in life, I need this, I need this to happen to get this. It's not going to happen for you. That's the wrong way to do it, okay? You got to sit there and visualize, okay? Something positive is going to happen. You can't sit there and expect one thing, because what you're doing is you're setting yourself up for failure. And when the human mind fails, it remembers. It doesn't remember the positives. It remembers all the negatives, okay? Okay. That's true, Sanjay. Ha! Is he? Oh man, I feel sorry for his followers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck. He's gonna fuck a whole bunch. He's gonna get himself sued, man. I'm telling you right now. If that buy button comes off or something happens where they close the stocks on so you can't buy anymore, which they will because of the fraudulent shares. Okay? Wow. He's going to get himself sued because he can't tell people what to do on the stock market. I'm surprised his channel hasn't gotten shut down. I don't watch him, so I don't watch him. You got to stop watching those channels, Manji. You should know of all people with the positive of attraction and stuff. That's negative shit. You should not be watching that stuff there, girl. You know better. You should get rid of that stuff off your phone. I said today's going to be violent. Violent? Like, what do you mean, violent? In what way? Oh, the stock market. Like, is going to be violent? Oh, okay. When I mean that it's going to be violent, like, when the squeeze happens, it's going to be violent. Like, it's going to go to extremes and then back down. And then, that's what I mean, violent. And the theory is every stock squeeze is like that. The reason why it's going to be so violent is because of the institutions selling. That's the volatility. If it was just retail investors, my friend, it would be waves, okay? Because it just would be, because there's so many of us, and it would be, and nobody would sell the same. There's too many minds involved in that. Institutions hold a big chunk, so when it goes, it causes a knife edge. Okay, with us, we're not all in sync. Okay, we all have different things in our lives. We all will be selling at different things. We have different ideas. We listen to different people. We follow different people. We have different rules in our head. Does that make any sense, my friend? That's what I meant to that. Versatile. Oh, versatile. That's what I meant. That's what I meant by that. What are your thoughts on Jim Cramer? I don't watch that stuff. I don't watch that stuff. It's too negative for me, guys. Sorry. The guy. That's it, Jennifer. Welcome, Jennifer. Yes. Yes. She fucking nailed it. Bam. Good one, girl. That's exactly what I was trying to explain. The quad, the trailer, the house paid off like it's already paid off. You nailed it. She nailed it. That's it. My bank account, it already has zeros behind the numbers. That's exactly what I was talking about. Somebody picked it up, nailed it. A lot of you got it. Like, you got the gist. She fucking nailed it, dead on. She nailed it in words. I just wasn't expressing it right. I wanted to tell the gist of it, but in words, you just summed it up. That's what I meant. That's the correct way of saying it. You summed it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 words. So what's the best website to see which institutions are selling? I would go to Stocks Era, my friend. It is very, very transparent. I would stay off the Reddit end of it. They have a Reddit thing on there, unless you're not for that stuff. Reddit, as you know, you can do your own DD on Reddit. Okay, it's mostly younger generation on there. There's not that much education on there. It's more of cut and paste and making up documents and stuff, I've noticed. I've kind of pulled away from it. I am involved in Reddit, as you know, because of Wall Street Breakers. There is good people on there. I'm not saying anything bad about it. It's just like anything. Do your own DD. That's all I'm saying on it. But yeah, Kramer, I don't really care for the guy. He's fucking annoying and loud. That's all. I just stay away from it. I've watched a couple of his episodes because of what I do, looking for DD and stuff. He's all over the place. One minute he likes a stock, next minute he doesn't like a stock, which is kind of weird because he's obviously bought and paid for. Does that make it here? I'm just make sure I answered all your questions. My comments above making it though. Okay, Cam. Check out your crypto steel wallet. Like talking about. Citizen, sorry, you want me to check it out or are you telling everybody else to check it out? Crypto steel, like what I was talking about, making a steel wallet, my own steel wallet out of aluminum or stainless. Stainless is kind of hard to be punching numbers in though. Like it's really hard. Are you, Citizen, are you swearing on them? Because YouTube is doing that. I unlocked as many as I can. I unlocked them all, unless they're actually being quarantined, man. Because I can't sometimes see them, guys. That's not me doing that. Just so you guys know that. You should know that by now. So yeah, Future Whale. It's that stocks era. I posted the link. You know which one I'm talking about. I was talking about it yesterday. You were on here, weren't you, my friend? Look at that big juicy candle. Yeah, guys, sometimes depends on the swear words you say, sometimes I don't even see them to get unlocked. Like, if you're talking about some derogatory towards somebody else and swearing, it's classed as harassment underneath the YouTube Act, and I don't even see it. I see it after the video's done. There's a page of stuff that's locked, and there's no sense to unlock it because the video's over. But if you're just swearing, mostly I can unlock it. Native gamer, yeah. I know, I kind of feel that. Yeah, that's right. Oh, okay. Thanks, Citizen. Okay. About the crypto thing. Yeah, man, that's what I'm doing, is making my own, my friend. You could probably order this stuff off Amazon. If you're going to order a punch set, you want to make it out of really hard steel. And you want to use a soft steel you're punching into. I'm going to have to go grab some... Yeah, I don't know. It's not me unlocking it, my friend. I have no, not swearing. I have no idea, bro. I don't see anything on here at all. No, nothing. It could be a video lag or something, bro. You know I wouldn't screw with you like that. But you can see it. It's all right here. Right? So, I'm just going to go reload here. I just need another cup of coffee and I'll be back. Getting old. Yes. Yes. Be ghost too. Yes. 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 Dog tags. Like, same thing, bro. Yes. Mm-hmm. What you're talking about is already made. Yeah, no, I know that. But why pay 100 or 200 bucks for it when you can make it yourself? That's all I'm saying. That's what I'm doing. I'm not paying 200, 100 bucks for a cold wallet when I can make it myself. I already have the punch set and stuff. I just got to go buy the plate of aluminum. I'll just get it from the steel yard. It's cheap. That's all I'm saying. You can buy them in different prices. That's all. I'm just saying that I'd rather make it myself, right? Give you some satisfaction, give you something to do, right? Start swearing, get Cameron's phone up, go off. Ah, that's funny. It would too. Well, I just get it just flashes. That's all. Sanjay, yeah. Oh, thanks, brother. I just hope my house gets paid. Yeah. Free, just think about it. Paid off already, buddy. Trust me, it'll work, man. I know it sounds stupid saying that. I knew about this like 10 years ago, my friend. No. You can buy a punch set, Citizen, for like 20 bucks, man. Even cheaper. And then the aluminum, probably like 10 bucks. You only need like a little piece, right? How long are your numbers? That's all I'm saying. But yeah, you can buy one too. You can buy one in a nice capsule with all the numbers you can put in yourself. I've seen them. They're some of them are really expensive. I'm just trying to save you guys money, that's all. I was just having some steak. The wife made some. I was shocked. It was weird. I was laying down from my afternoon old man nap, and I got up and I woke up to Alaskan crab, and steak dinner. I was like, what the fuck did I do? What the hell did I do to deserve this? She goes, oh, you're the best husband in the world. Here's your dinner. Okay. Which husband are you talking about? Where's this guy? Wow. And she's from the East Coast, Newfie, so like she knows how to cook seafood. Oh my god. She made this au jus stuff. This stuff that you just dump your steak into. Holy crap. Was it good? Oh my god. So anyways, that's what I'm having for this morning, is steak and eggs, because there's a little piece of steak left over, so I just had a bite of it when I was out warming my coffee up in the microwave, and I'm like, holy crap, I can't wait. I gotta get off air in 20 minutes. Starting to get hungry, actually. But yeah, that's a treat. I don't have that every day. Have you guys ever had Have you guys ever had Alaskan king crab? Do you guys even know what obviously you know what friggin' crab is, but have you had Alaskan king crab? The legs are like this long. Like they're fucking huge. They're like huge, man. It's crazy. Here it's not that. The prices are it's expensive. It's a rich man's food for sure. I can't afford to eat it all the time. Like maybe once or twice a month. But if you go to the keg, I don't know if you guys know what a keg is. Like it's like a seafood house. It's like for two people to eat is $300-400 for two plates. Well, and a couple drinks too. and appies. But it's fucking expensive, man. But to cook it ourselves, I think for the meal, I think it was $60, I think. So $30 each instead of like $100 a plate, or instead of like $80 a plate or whatever it is. I don't like the bottom feeders. Yeah, it has to be an acquired taste for sure, my friend. I don't mind shrimp, lobster, and crab. This crab doesn't have salt taste to it for some reason. I don't know why. I've had Alaskan crab before. I don't know what it is. This is the way they cure it, I think, or something. I don't know. I have no idea. But I know nothing about it. She's the cook. I don't cook. It's not my job. I'll maybe make a breakfast or something, but that's not my job. Seriously. That's part of when we're in a relationship, married, I'm the bread maker, she's the cook and house cleaner. I'm old school. No kidding, Jeremy. I couldn't eat it every day. I couldn't. It's so rich. But it's a good thing. If you like it, it's an acquired taste, right? But same as steak, I can't eat every day. But yeah, if you guys haven't tried it and you like seafood, I know in some parts of the States and some parts of the world is fucking expensive. Like, really. Never had crabs. That's funny, Sanjay. Right on. So we're going to go through some GMEs at 192.83, 1.41% in the green. It's exactly almost tie. We're at 40. Well, not the price, but the percentage is. It was actually tied for a second. We're at 1.44. Let's see if this screen is frozen yet still. No. Just want to double check it. Yeah, $40.68. I was frozen a little bit. The screen. I didn't eat lobster till I was 24. That's how poor I was. Yeah, I grew up poor too, my friend. I didn't have that much when I was younger. When I was really young. My mom raised me. Well, yeah, it was just me and my mom right there for a while after my dad died. So yeah, we didn't have it that much. Until I started welding, and then I started making some good money. I was making pretty good money at 16 years old. I was making $25 an hour. That was really good money back then. Like, that was like, I don't even know how much it would be now. Close to $80-$100 an hour probably. But yeah, I did that young, and I just looked after my mom, and I did that at a young age. I quit school. To go get my welding tickets, and then I actually later on in life went back and got my schooling. I had to for my tickets and stuff to get my union, right? So yeah, I kind of did things backwards, but it all paid off. It all paid off now. So look at that, eh? Come on, we just need 5 of those. Did one of you guys buy directly on the market? Yeah, hi Cap. Dungeon crab is, if it's cooked right, or else it tastes like shit. You know that too. It has to be cooked right, or else it's gross. There's only a couple ways to cook it good. Has a Fukushima meltdown. Haha. Yeah, no kidding, eh? No kidding. Can you guys get it in the UK? Obviously, you can get anything around the world. It's all about money. But is it readily available there, my friend? I don't know anything about it. I'm just asking because I don't know. What the hell is IMHO? It's trash food. I don't know what you're talking. What is that? Just got the abbreviation thing. Seafood doesn't like me. Yeah, some people it's really rich and it just I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Oh, is that the trick, Cap? Is that the trick? Because I always fuck it up. Yeah, I don't know anything about that. What the hell's wrong with this fucking thing? Oh, in your honest opinion, okay. Sorry, Jeremy. I'm just not. I'm older and I'm not used to these abbreviations and stuff. I'm learning off you guys, though. I'm learning off you guys. Peasant food. Peasant food. I haven't heard that in a long time. I haven't heard that in a long time. In my humble opinion. Oh. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bobby. It's funny. So, now that everybody's on here, oh, Red Lobster sucks, but oh my god, that deter a lot of people away from seafood if you eat in there. Oh my god, the all-you-can-eat smorgasbord, they don't have that up here. But when I was allowed in the States, I went there once and ate down in Maine actually, and in the state of Maine, and oh my god, it was watery. Wow, that was crazy. Damn, we just punched through that fucking line again. Pardon my language, shit. Now you guys got me looking at the line. I'm not usually worried about this shit. I just don't like looking at my bank account, but I always look at it with multiple zeros on it anyways. There's a little bit of a sell-off there going on. There you go. So what do you guys think? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock, my friends. Almost 10 o'clock. I'm going to bounce off here. I just heard the kids get up, my dogs. So I got to jump off here. And I got to get on with my day. I got to go. I'm going to go visit my grandma today. My 80 plus year old grandma. So I got to do that. And then I got some appointments today. Sorry to leave you guys on a red note here, but it is what it is. Don't stress on that shit. It has nothing to do with the squeeze. Obviously, they're doing. Who the hell knows what they're doing now, right? But it is what it is. I just want you guys to have a good day. If this shenanigans happens, just go do something. Go do something productive that will benefit your life, besides watching this screen. Okay, my friends, I will see you here, same place, same time, different date. I'll see you guys here in the morning, and we'll do this again. It was, I had fun today. I always have fun with you guys hanging out and stuff. Okay, my friends, I'm out of here. Peace. I love you guys. You take her easy, Wolfpack.